हेलो 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 भाई। क्या हाल चाल है भाई? मैं बहुत दिन बाद आया हूँ, थोड़ा बताओ क्या हो रहा है अभी तक। आई मीन क्या क्या किया? शोर शोर भाई। मैं एक बार दिखाता हूँ भाई को। नो इशू। है ना, मेरे को 5 मिनट दो भाई। हेलो हेलो अमन भाई, क्या हाल चाल है? वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम भाई। और भाई क्या कर रहे हो भाई? बस अभी एक नया प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे यार, तो उसी का देख रहे हैं भाई। थोड़ा सा ओवरव्यू बना लेते हैं कि क्या क्या करना क्या है। हाँ। यस भाई। हेलो 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 भविष्य, क्या हाल चाल है भाई? वेलकम वेलकम भाई, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम यार। कैसे हो भाई? यस यस भाई, ऑल गुड भविष्य भाई। तुम बताओ भाई, क्या हाल चाल है? ठीक है। यस भाई। यस। ओके। ठीक है भाई। ओके 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 भाई। भाई कहाँ पहुंचे एससीओ में? चले गया था कल रात, लेट हो गया था। हाँ भविष्य भाई, वो बेसिक तो स्टफ बना दिया यार। अब देखना है कि यार उसमें और क्या किया जा सकता है। जो हमारा वाला एससीओ वाला है, तो एक बार प्लेटफॉर्म दिखा देता हूँ जो हमारा काम कर रहा है। ठीक है ना? तो दिस इज द प्लेटफॉर्म भाई, है ना? तो यहाँ पे आके यूजर, वंस यूजर पेड द फुल अमाउंट, मतलब, है ना? तो है, हाय हेलो हेलो ब्रो। रंगा भाई क्या हाल चाल है? ठीक है भाई, लाइक कर दो एक बार स्ट्रीम को भाई। नोट्स बना रखे हैं भाई। यार भाई कई दिन हो गए भाई ढंग से काम, मतलब स्ट्रीम तो सही चल रही है बट बाकी कंटेंट भी बनाना है यार। तो वो वाली सारी चीजें यार एक बार देखनी है यार। यस। तो भविष्य भाई, ये है जो हमारा मेन एससीओ पेज है। तो यूजर आएगा, अपना नाम डालेगा, ईमेल डालेगा, वेबसाइट यूआरएल और ई कॉमर्स। उसके बाद भाई ये एनालिसिस जैसे ही क्लिक करेगा तो अपना बैकएंड में अपना NA10 वाला वर्कफ्लो ट्रिगर हो जाएगा। ओके। NA10 में वर्कफ्लो ट्रिगर होने के बाद यहाँ पे स्कोर देगा, एससीओ स्कोर, क्या ग्रेड है, कितना रेवेन्यू का लॉस्ट हो रहा है ना, वीकनेस क्या क्या है यार, मतलब वेबसाइट में। तो वो सारी यहाँ पे लिस्ट डाउन कर दी यार। और यहाँ से वो डाउनलोड रिपोर्ट भी डाउनलोड कर सकता है यार। हेलो आवेश भाई, हाय अमन भाई, क्या हाल चाल भाई? वेलकम भाई, वेलकम। ठीक है, तो यार ये तो है अपना, यहाँ तक अपना रेडी हो गया यार अब। ठीक है, ये प्लेटफॉर्म का तो मोस्टली जो काम था, अब इसको और डीप लेके जाना है, वो मैं एक बार सोच रहा हूँ भाई कि इसको और क्या किया जा सकता है इस पे। हाँ हाँ। एससीओ स्कोर, हाँ एक बार देखना भाई, ये हमारा एससीओ स्कोर तो इसमें तो जीरो आया भाई अभी, हमारे वाले वर्कफ्लो से तो। संवेदनशील भाई, भैया रेंट देना है 50-50 रुपए की, मदद करवा दो सबसे। अरे यार भाई, मैं किससे मदद करवाऊं भाई संवेदनशील भाई? और तुम चंडीगढ़ में रहते हो भाई, हैं? मजे कर रहे हो वहां पे, हैं? मेरे से क्या मदद चाहिए भाई तुम्हें? हैं? मौज ले रहे हो भाई तुम, एक्टिंग क्लासेस तुमने ज्वाइन कर रखी है? हैं? चिंतन, चिंतन भाई, क्या हाल चाल है भाई? मैं बढ़िया भाई, तुम बताओ भाई क्या हाल चाल है? ओके 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 ओके। यस यस यस। हाँ यार भविष्य भाई, एक बार करना यार चेक तुम्हें ना। ओके भाई। आज का क्या टॉपिक है? हाँ भाई वो टॉपिक एक बार देख रहे हैं भाई, अभी एक नया देख रहा हूँ भाई, आज क्या स्टार्ट किया जाए यार। मुझे लगा स्ट्रीम पे ही डिसाइड कर लेंगे यार कि क्या करना क्या है यार, है ना? दो भाई यूआरएल देखूं जरा कैसा है, बट इसमें भाई तुम कर नहीं सकते चेक यार, ये वाला भविष्य भाई, इससे पेड प्लान मतलब, है ना? भाई मेरा क्यूआर कोड डाल दो स्ट्रीम पे, डोनेशन मिल जाएगा तो बड़ी मदद हो जाएगी सबसे। भाई क्यों लेकिन भाई संवेदनशील भाई, मेरी स्ट्रीम पे वैसे लोग नहीं आते हैं भाई। मैंने क्लोड कोड के टोकन्स में सब पैसे फूक दिए हैं। मैं लूट गया भैया। अरे भाई क्यों लिया भाई तुमने फिर? है? क्लोड कोड क्या क्या जरूरत थी भाई? नॉर्मल वाला फ्री वाला प्लान यूज कर लेते ना, जरूरी तो नहीं था। नहीं भाई। ओके भाई। तो यार ये आए हैं मेरे जो उससे तो भाई एसएसएल सर्टिफिकेट का इशू दिखाया है भाई, अपग्रेड होस्टिंग अनेबल ए सीडीएन, है ना भाई। तो काफी सारे हैं जो इसने भाई इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए बताए हैं मेरे उस पे तो। क्लोड या एडब्ल्यूएस। यस यस भाई। अभी भाई मैं है ना कल भाइयों को एक चीज दिखाता हूँ, जो भी भाई है स्ट्रीम पे, तो आप लोग बताना, सजेशन देना, ठीक है ना। कल एक भाई अपनी स्ट्रीम पे एक दोस्त है, आवेज आवेज नाम भाई, उसने कल मेरे सिस्टम पे भाई क्लोड बोट को इंस्टॉल करवाया था। और भाई वो सेक्सी काम कर रहा है, मतलब मस्त। अगर क्लोड बोट किसी भाई को नहीं पता, तो ये ओपन सोर्स एआई एजेंट है, जिसका यूज करके भाई आप कोई भी टास्क पूरा पीसी कंट्रोल कर सकते हो उससे। और मैं आपको एक बार दिखाऊंगा दिखाऊंगा भी कि वो कैसे किया मैंने। तो भाई एक बार अगर भाई लोग इंटरेस्टेड हो, तो मैंने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें की हैं कल, तो एक बार मैं स्ट्रीम पे दिखाता हूँ कि मैंने क्या क्या किया। ये समन भाई एक बार क्लोड का ओवरव्यू देते हैं पहले, है ना। मैं सोच रहा हूँ उससे रिलेटेड कुछ बनाया जाए यार। तो एक बार देखते हैं भाई, है ना। ग्राफिक एंड यूआई कभी टॉपिक एक बार कर देना, ठीक है भाई, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है। तो भाई मतलब क्लोड बोट दिखाता हूँ भाई, तुमने जो मैंने इंस्टॉल किया है, अगर किसी भाई को इंस्टॉल करना है, ठीक है, अगर स्टेप बाय स्टेप अप्रोच कैसे किया, तो वो एक बार कमेंट कर देना यार। आई विल शो यू, है ना, कि कैसे कर सकते भाई। एक बार मैं डाल देता इन विल वॉक थ्रू दी क्लोड वोट। ओके भाई, गुरलाल भाई, हेलो हेलो गुरलाल भाई, क्या हाल चाल है। दिखाओ भाई कैसे किया, श्योर श्योर भाई, है ना। ओके। हाफ वे बना दिया भाई, मैं तो भाई आज 6 बजे फ्री हुआ ऑफिस के काम से, फिर उसके बाद भाई मैंने, हाँ हाँ, ओपन क्लोज से ही करते हैं, यस भाई। मेरा भी मतलब मैंने कल भाई सोचा उसके बारे में, और मुझे लगा भाई क्लोड बोट से करना चाहिए कुछ क्रेजी काम। और मैं वीडियो दिखाता हूँ भाई, उसने जो वीडियो एडिट की वो भी ढंग की है। मतलब उसको, मतलब ये तो नहीं है भाई, मैंने उसमें या तो प्रॉम्प्ट सही से डालना चाहिए था ना, मैं अगर उसको ढंग से बताऊंगा कि कैसे वीडियो बनानी है, तो वो और ढंग से बना सकता था। बट मैं अभी के लिए एक बार है ना वीडियो दिखाता हूँ भाई जो उसने बनाई है ना। और जो हमारा सेटअप है, यस दिस इज द क्लोड बोर्ड भाई हमारा, जो हमने सेटअप कर लिया है पूरा अपने पीसी पे। जिम जाते हो भाई या नहीं भाई? जिम तो नहीं भाई, मैं तो छुट्टी हुई है भाई। आ, सुपर भाई, थैंक यू भाई। ओम ओम भाई, थैंक यू सो मच, है ना। तो यार एक बार दिखाता हूँ भाई लोगों को कि हमने क्या बनाया भाई, ये बहुत सही चीज है भाई। बाकी लोगों को भी मतलब बहुत हेल्प हो जाएगी भाई, अगर ये आप लोग सेटअप कर लेते हो। इफ यू सेटअप दिस क्लाउड बोट ऑन योर पर्सनल पीसी ना भाई, यू कैन डू अ लॉट ऑफ ऑटोमेशन भाई, यू कैन रन योर फुल मार्केटिंग कैंपेन यूजिंग दिस भाई। सो दैट्स वाई आई विल ट्राई टू डू भाई, कि कैसे कैंपेन बनाया जाए भाई क्लाउड बोट से, है ना। दिक्कत नहीं है। फरहान भाई, भैया मेरा जेई क्लियर नहीं हुआ अब तो शायद सब खत्म। अरे नहीं भाई, सब खत्म नहीं है भाई, जिंदगी अभी बहुत बाकी है मेरे दोस्त। अभी तो देखा क्या है तुमने भाई, शादी भी नहीं हुई, बच्चे भी नहीं हुए भाई। असली खेल तो भाई बाद में स्टार्ट होएगा, अभी कहाँ यार, हैं। अभी तो मजे हैं भाई। ठीक है भाई। एक बार भाइयों को दिखाता हूँ भाई, जो मैंने है ना क्लोड बोर्ड को अपने सिस्टम पे इंस्टॉल किया है भाई लोकली। और इससे मैंने मतलब एक चैनल है जिसको मैं रेप्लिकेट करना चाह रहा था यूट्यूब से, तो क्लोड बोट का यूज करके भाई मैंने एक वीडियो एडिट करवाई है। और मैंने बस सिर्फ प्रॉम्प्ट दे के सारे काम किए हैं भाई, मैंने कुछ खुद नहीं किया है। तो मैं एक बार दिखाता हूँ जो वीडियो इसने जनरेट की है भाई, एक बार वो दिखाता हूँ। मतलब भाई 20 मिनट की वीडियो एडिट कर दी इसने पूरी भाई। सो ये वीडियो बनाई है भाई इसने।
दुनिया का एक बहुत ही सीधा सा गणित है जो अगर हम सतह पर देखें ना तो बिल्कुल नामुमकिन लगता है। अगर इस वक्त दुनिया में मौजूद सभी देशों, कंपनियों और हर एक इंसान की कुल कमाई और संपत्तियों को जोड़ दिया जाए तो वो लगभग 100 ट्रिलियन डॉलर बनती है।
हाँ, बिल्कुल, 100 ट्रिलियन।
हाँ, तो ये हमारी वैश्विक अर्थव्यवस्था की कुल हैसियत है। तो ये हमारी दर है। तो ये बाकी का टू आज के हमारे इस गहन विश्लेषण जरूरी है।
बिल्कुल। तो बात ये है।
देखो भाई, ये जो जितने भी ग्राफिक वगैरह डिजाइन किए हैं ना, ये सारे क्लोड बोर्ड से किए हैं। हाँ यार, थोड़ा इनपरफेक्ट है,
और
बट भाई इसने
ऐतिहासिक
एडिट
घटनाओं
तो
की
पूरी कर दी
उधार
वीडियो।
और 10 सेब उधार देती है, लेकिन शर्त रखती है कि उसे ब्याज समेत 11 सेब वापस चाहिए।
11 सेब।
अब चूंकि दुनिया में 11वां सेब तो अस्तित्व में ही नहीं है, तो वो 11वां सेब चुकाया कैसे जाएगा? ये तो गणितीय रूप से ही असंभव है ना।
तो वो
तो
कर्ज एक
भाई
तरह
इसने
का
ये जो
अनंत।
जितने भी ग्राफिक वगैरह है ना, ये सारे इसी ने क्लोड बोर्ड से ही बनाए हैं यार। तो
टैक्स
भाई
बचाता है।
अनंत
मतलब जैसा
टैक्स।
मुझे चाहिए था एग्जैक्ट वैसी वीडियो तो नहीं बनाई, बट यार इसने काफी हद तक भाई मतलब एडिट कर दी पूरी, है ना, वीडियो। और मतलब सही है भाई, उस पर्सपेक्टिव से भी देखे तो भाई। यस भाई, इट्स गुड फॉर द मोशन ग्राफिक। यस भाई, मोशन ग्राफिक के
ये
हिसाब से
सब
भाई
पेचीदगियों
ये ग्राफिक भी बनाना भाई, है ना। 19 फॉर द इन्वेंशन ऑफ परमानेंट डेप्ट, है ना। सिस्टम आर्किटेक्ट विलियम पीटरसन, द बैंक ऑफ इंग्लैंड। हेलो 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 भाई। काशी पटेल भाई, हेलो, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम भाई। भाई शादी हुई नहीं हुई किससे क्या मतलब है? ब्रो गिटहब की एपीआई की वाई मिला आपको? ओके। गुरलाल भाई समझा नहीं मैं यार, है ना। यस यस भाई, ठीक है यार। तो
इस सोर्स का दावा अगले किरदार को देखना होगा।
इसका वो हिस्सा बहुत प्रासंगिक लगा जहां ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी
जो जॉर्जिया तट के पास जैक।
दी का सामना करना पड़ता था, है ना।
हाँ।
तरफ देखते हैं जो इस फियाट प्रणाली और डॉलर के वर्चस्व में फंसे हैं, तो उनके साथ क्या होता है जब वे इस हवा से बने
इसी निवेश के लिए खोल दें। वह आम नागरिक की भविष्य की आय से इस चक्रव्यूह से।
सिर्फ इतिहास का पाठ के पत्तों की तरह
तो भाई ये पूरी इसने वीडियो बनाई भाई, है ना। इसको थोड़ा और मतलब बनाया जा सकता है, बट भाई अभी के लिए पूरा काम इसने क्लोड बोट के थ्रू करवाया है यार हमने। और एक इंट्रो बनाया था, इंट्रो वाला भी मैं दिखाता हूँ कि इंट्रो में क्या बनाया था इसने, है ना। ये इंट्रो था क्या? MP4 फाइल, यस। नहीं, ये नहीं था
दुनिया
शायद।
का एक जाल बुना गया है।
उसने इन विशाल राष्ट्रीय कर्जों।
यस। ठीक है यार। ओके, तो भाई वीडियो तो इसने एडिट कर दी थी, ठीक है। किसी भाई को ये सेटअप करना है तो भाई वी कैन गाइड यू। और ये मिनी मैक्स का इसमें मॉडल है जो यूज किया जा रहा है। तो अब इसी से पूछ लेते हैं भाई कि क्या बिजनेस बनाया जा सकता है, पहले तो देख लेते हैं। इससे पूछ लेते हैं, गेटवे रन है ये, लोकली डाल रखा है भाई, जिस भाई को भी पता ना हो तो ये हमने लोकली इंस्टॉल किया हुआ है। और इसका नाम मैंने नियो डाला हुआ है ना, हाय नियो, आर यू आर यू अवेक। और इसने खुद ही भाई मेरे पीसी पे जाके ये वीडियो सेव सेव की है, मतलब इस फोल्डर में जाके प्रोड्यूस डॉट पी वाई री स्क्रिप्ट पे। यस यस, आई एम अवेक व्हाट्सअप। ठीक है भाई, तो इससे पूछते हैं भाई। इन द करंट एआई era I want to build a solid 1,000 crore कंपनी, है ना। ओके, एक काम करता हूँ मैं, है ना, चैट जीपीटी से प्रॉम्प्ट लिखवाता हूँ ना। ढंग से काम करेगा फिर ये। हेलो हेलो रिवाज भाई, क्या हाल चाल है भाई? वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम यार रिवाज। फरहान भाई, मेरे कोचिंग वाले सर ने तो कहा था कि मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा। अब मेरे 4 दोस्त थे एंड सबका जेई मेन क्लियर हो गया, सिर्फ मैं रह गया, मेरा ड्रॉप ईयर था। ओके 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 भाई, भाई देखो, कहीं ना कहीं गलती तो हुई है, वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट, मतलब, है ना। बट गलती एक बार हुई है तो आगे भाई सुधारा भी जा सकता है ना। तो भी भाई देखो तुम क्या करना है, तुम्हारा क्या इंटरेस्ट है ना। यस यस भाई, मतलब अब यार इसमें क्या बताऊं भाई, दुख तो होता है भाई जब एक साल आप ड्रॉप करके, है ना, तैयारी करते हो किसी चीज की इतने पैशन से, और फिर वो काम ना करे, है ना, तो भाई दुख तो है, होता है भाई, है ना। खुद को रियलाइज तो होना चाहिए भाई कि हाँ गलती तो हुई है कहीं ना कहीं, तैयारी उस ढंग से नहीं हुई। देर आर मैनी फैक्टर, मतलब कई बार, मतलब मैंने भी भाई ड्रॉप करके कोचिंग ली थी, मेरा भी मतलब आईआईटी तो नहीं हुआ था, तो टायर 3 से ही मैंने भी की है। और अभी लाइफ सही चल रही है भाई, मतलब, है ना, भगवान की दया से सब कुछ सही है भाई, जॉब भी अच्छी लग गई उसके बाद, है ना। मेरी जर्नी से सीख सकते हो भाई तुम, कि भाई मैं गुड़गांव में रहता हूँ, खुद का फ्लैट ले रखा है, अच्छी फैमिली है, बच्चा है मेरा एक, है ना, और कॉरपोरेट में काम करता हूँ यार, खुद का बिजनेस बनाने की भी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूँ, है ना भाई। तो भाई मतलब मैं कभी सोच भी नहीं सकता था भाई ऐसी लाइफ होगी, मतलब, है ना। तो भाई मतलब डोंट बी, मतलब डाउन। आई नो भाई दुख तो होना चाहिए एक बार, बट उसके बाद भाई यू नेवर नो लाइफ में क्या किस्मत में क्या लिखा है भाई, सो वी हैव टू कीप डूइंग द सेम, कीप डूइंग द थिंग दैट वी लव, एंड कीप कीप पुशिंग आवर सेल्फ, है ना। वी डोंट नो भाई कौन बंदा किस टाइम पे मेहनत करे और किस टाइम पे उसका काम हो जाए, है ना। हमें तो एक ही चीज चाहिए ना, जो काम चल जाए। अरे भाई वही डायरेक्टली बना दो, या कर्सर फॉर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर। देखो भाई ऐसे ही घूमने से फायदा नहीं है, इतना अच्छा आइडिया है, वो कर्सर फॉर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर बना दो ओपन क्लो से पूरा। ओके 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 भाई, एक बार है ना वो वाईसी वाला, है ना, जो भाई ने लिंक भेजा था ना एक, आ, तो वो वाला लिंक ओपन करता हूँ मैं, वो वाईसी वाला, और फिर उनमें से एक आइडिया डिस्कस करते हैं यार, है ना। फेक सुपर, बहुत दुख है यार, ले ऑफ हो गया है, 2 महीने से डिप्रेशन में हूँ। अरे यार भाई, सॉरी टू हियर दैट, मतलब भाई, भाई साहब, यार लोग भाई मतलब थोड़ा सा ये तो है यार, मतलब ऑनलाइन ये है, थोड़ा एक्सप्रेसिव होते हैं, मतलब, है ना, कि भाई ले ऑफ हो गया, पर्सनली बता नहीं सकते, बस स्ट्रीम पे बता सकते हैं। बट भाई अभी तो भाई आईटी में कितने ले ऑफ हो रहे हैं, और एप्पल ने भाई 30,000 से ज्यादा लोगों को ले ऑफ कर दिया, है ना। यस यस, रिवाज ने भेजा था यार वो मुझे लिंक, है ना। तो भाई वही है यार, अगर ले ऑफ हो गया तो भाई ट्राई करते रहो, है ना, लिंक्डइन पे अप्लाई करो भाई, रिज्यूमे बिल्ड करो भाई, दोबारा से तैयारी स्टार्ट करो भाई, और तो क्या कर सकता हूँ भाई मैं, है ना। अगर कोई है भाई तुम्हारा किसी ऐस जावा वगैरह में या पाइथन में हो भाई, तो मेरी कंपनी में भी ओपनिंग है, तो आई कैन रेफर यू, ये मैं कर सकता हूँ भाई। आई विल पिंग माई मेल आईडी, तो भाई इस मेल पे कर दो, मैंने 2-3 लोगों को रेफर किया भी है। अगर भाई किसी बंदे का 3-4 साल का पाइथन में एक्सपीरियंस है, ठीक है, और भाई वो मेरी कंपनी में अप्लाई करवाना चाहता है, तो भाई गिव मी योर रेज्यूमे, आई विल अप्लाई इट भाई, है ना। सो दिस इज माई मेल आईडी भाई, है ना। इफ यू नीड आई कैन रेफर यू भाई, द बेस्ट आई कैन डू फॉर यू राइट नाउ, है ना। मेरे को बस एक बार मेल कर देना रेज्यूमे, और मेरे को रिमाइंड करवा देना भाई कल, तो मैं अप्लाई करवा दूंगा। तो भाई किसी भी भाई को अगर आ, अगर भाई किसी भी भाई को मेरी कंपनी में अप्लाई करवाना है, रेफर करवाना है भाई, पाइथन की और जावा की 2 ओपनिंग है भाई तगड़ी वाली, तो वो आप कर सकते हो भाई। समर्थ भाई, भाई मेरे पास के अच्छे एक अच्छा आइडिया है। ओके ओके समर्थ भाई, टेल मी भाई, मतलब क्या आइडिया है, हम भी आइडिया ही ढूंढ रहे हैं भाई। रिवाज भाई, लक इज द बिगेस्ट की टू सक्सेस, बट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बीइंग लकी इज योर हैंड। यस यस भाई, करेक्ट भाई, ये तो है यार, मतलब देखो आप कितनी भी मेहनत कर लो यार, है ना। अब मान लो मैं अपना एग्जांपल दे दूं, मैंने 1-1.5 साल से भाई अपने प्रमोशन के लिए इतनी मेहनत की भाई, मतलब, है ना, इतनी मेहनत मैंने कभी नहीं की। और जो मेरा पहला प्रमोशन था, जब मैं एनालिस्ट प्रोग्रामर था, उसके बाद मैं सीनियर एनालिस्ट प्रोग्रामर बना, उस टाइम पे भाई मैंने कुछ मेहनत नहीं की थी इतनी, है ना। और बस मैंने एक ऑफर लेटर लेके आ गया था, और मेरा प्रमोशन हो गया था। अब लेकिन भाई मेरे को लगा भाई अब नेक्स्ट प्रमोशन के लिए मैं बहुत मेहनत करूंगा, मैं 1.5 साल मेहनत लगा के की भाई, बट नहीं हुआ भाई। हाँ, ऑल दो भाई मुझे एक्सेप्शनल रेटिंग मिली, ठीक है, अप्रेजल भी सही हो गया, बट भाई जो चीज़ चाहिए थी, मार्च साइकिल होती है हमारी कंपनी में जो प्रमोशन के लिए होती है भाई, आ, और तो भाई मार्च में तो मेरा कट गया, है ना। अब देखते हैं भाई नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट साइकिल में हो जाए तो, बट वही है यार, अगर मेहनत से भी सारी चीजें नहीं होती भाई, वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट, है ना। आप सही जगह पे सही अपॉर्चुनिटी के पास भी होने बहुत जरूरी हो। आई फेल्ड सो मेनी सेस बिफोर, यस यस भाई रिवाज, आई थिंक यस यू आर अ ग्रेट एग्जाम्पल भाई, है ना भाई। कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी आर जस्ट सोशल कन्वेंशन। इफ यू if you think you are dig up you grave because you don't really qualify, then focus on learning curve in whatever field you are opting and invest in। yes भाई, मतलब भाई मैंने तो ये चीज देखी, अगर कोई भी फील्ड पकड़ो तो आप बस उसमें ये मत सोचो कि भाई मैंने को नौकरी करने के लिए वो करना है, या सिर्फ भाई उसमें बेस्ट बनने की ट्राई करो भाई, है ना। उसके लिए भाई मतलब वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस तो छोड़ना पड़ेगा, है ना। और भाई उसमें बेस्ट बनने बनने के लिए भाई सब वो करो यार। उसके लिए जितनी मेहनत लगती है भाई उतनी ट्राई करो। हाँ भाई मतलब कुछ लोगों का भाई देख स्मार्ट माइंड होता है, एक बार में समझ में आ जाती है। कुछ लोगों का भाई मेरे जैसा नॉर्मल चीज भी होती है, उनको दो तीन चीज दो तीन बार में समझ में आती है ना। बट समझ आ जाती है। तो भाई वही है, किसी को 1 घंटे में आ जाता है और किसी को भाई टाइम लगता है। ओके, ठीक है भाई। तो भाई किसी भाई को रेफर करवाना हो तो भाई आई कैन डू दैट इन माय कंपनी, है ना भाई। मेरे पास एक अच्छा आइडिया है, थैंक्स भाई। एआई ऑटोमेशन इनवॉइस प्रोसेसिंग। ओके समर्थ भाई थोड़ा और बताओ भाई, क्या है इनवॉइस प्रोसेसिंग। यस यस, मर्न स्टैक की ओपनिंग है। मर्न तो भाई मेरी कंपनी में मर्न यूज नहीं होता भाई, है ना। मोस्टली जावा, रिएक्ट, ये सारी चीजें तो यूज होती हैं भाई, है ना। थैंक यू ब्रदर, आपने इतना बोल दिया बस। अरे कोई बात नहीं भाई, काशी भाई डू ज्वाइन द चैनल भाई, है ना। डू, इफ यू वांट, इफ यू नीड एनी गाइडेंस विद योर करियर, यू कैन subscribe to the channel and you can join our discord channel भाई। on that discord channel भाई we help each other out, मतलब all the tech people who are into tech and want to build something related to tech भाई, so we discuss same thing on the discord channel, so you can join that। products, do you have the email list that you are collecting? uh not right now रिवाज भाई, अभी तक तो मैं मेरे पास नहीं है यार, है ना। कुछ लोगों की है भाई मेरे पास, बट वो ज्यादा बड़ी लिस्ट नहीं है। ठीक है यार, 1 मिनट भाई। एक बार भाई ने है ना एक आइडिया वाईसी वाला, है ना आइडिया का एक वो पिक भेजा था वाईसी ने, जिस जिस स्टार्टअप में फंड करेगा, तो वो एक बार ओपन कर लेते हैं भाई, उससे देखते हैं कि क्या किया जा सकता है। लड़की मिल जाए तो कहना, वो लड़की धूप में। 1 मिनट भाई, भाई का मैसेज नहीं दिख रहा मुझे। हम्म हम्म, हाँ ये मिल गया भाई, मेरे को लिंक मिल गया। एक बार दिखाता हूँ भाई, है ना। ठीक है भाई। तो ये एक अपने पास लिस्ट थी कि जिस पे हम अपना अगर कुछ बनाना चाहते हैं और जिसमें फंडिंग वगैरह भी हो सकती है, स्टार्ट कलेक्टिंग फॉर मार्केटिंग। श्योर रिवाज भाई। आई थिंक जो भाई मैं मतलब मैंने जो सोचा था कि वो डिस्कॉर्ड वाला जो चैनल है या जो यूट्यूब कम्युनिटी है, तो मेनली वही है। अगर वो कम्युनिटी ग्रो हो हुई तो भाई वह वो कर सकते हैं ना भाई। जो एग्जांपल अमेजोन है वहाँ पे जो इनवॉइस है वो लोग, 1 मिनट भाई, समर्थ भाई बोल रहे हैं भाई, जो फॉर एग्जांपल अमेजोन है वहाँ पर जो इनवॉइस है वो लोग खुद लिखते हैं, यूज ऑटोमेट करेंगे। ओके भाई, मैंने कभी किया नहीं अमेजोन वगैरह पे, कोई मैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर था नहीं तो मुझे आइडिया नहीं है। तभी वही है ना यार, आप है ना किसी बिजनेस में कितना डीप हो तभी उसको एआई से ऑटोमेट कर सकते हो ना। उस बिजनेस की नॉलेज होनी बहुत जरूरी है, प्रॉब्लम समझना बहुत जरूरी है ना। आई हैव पर्सनल डीएम फॉर डिस्कॉर्ड कम्युनिटी सो आई लेफ्ट। ओके भाई, ठीक है रिवाज भाई, आई थिंक मेरे को लिंक तो मिल गया था यार, नो इशू इन दैट। भाई गाने पे गाओ, इस पे भी स्ट्राइक, अरे भाई यार स्ट्राइक का भाई बड़ा लफड़ा है यार। बिल्ड ऑन वाइब्स भाई, आपका लेटेस्ट पीसी बिल्ड का प्राइस कितना हुआ, कहाँ से करवाया पीसी बिल्ड। भाई मैंने तो भाई मैं लैपटॉप लिया भाई लेनोवो का LOQ, और एक मॉनिटर है मेरे पास वो भी लेनोवो का भाई, एक वेब कैम है। तो मैंने PC वगैरह तो बिल्ड नहीं किया भाई। ठीक है रिवाज भाई, एक बार ये कर लेता हूँ मैं, है ना, मार्केटिंग के लिए अगर ईमेल लिस्ट अगर जो भी आए, तो वो ईमेल लिस्ट, तो सही कह रहे हो भाई, ये कलेक्ट करनी बनती है। ये दिक्कत है यार, मतलब है ना, डिस्कॉर्ड पे मतलब अब बंदे आ गए हैं, तो मतलब किसी बंदे को थोड़ी ज्यादा नॉलेज है तो भाई उसको ज्यादा परेशान करो तो फिर वो लेफ्ट कर देता है, ये तो आई अग्री, मतलब तो ऐसा ना हो भाई, उसके लिए क्या किया जा सकता है यार। हम्म। भाई इसका सॉल्यूशन तो मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा यार, है ना। हम्म। If someone needs their CTO CFO in tech, their contact and mail ID can ping me in Discord. ओके। ठीक है भाई, कल हम देख रहे थे कर्सर फॉर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर, है ना, ये वाला आइडिया बता रहे थे भाई, इस पे काम किया जा सकता है। ओवर द लास्ट फ्यू ईयर वी हैव सीन ए एक्सप्लोशन ऑफ AI टूल फॉर राइटिंग कोड। कर्सर क्लोड को आर ग्रेट एट हेल्पिंग टीम्स बिल्ड सॉफ्टवेयर once it's clear what need to be built, but writing code is the only part of building a product people want. The most important part is figuring out what to build in the first place. Correct है भाई। Every successful product require product management, talking to user, understanding market, synthesizing feedback, deciding what problem are worth solving, and how the product should work. Whether this process is done by founder engineer, the activity is same. Historically, the output has been a product requirement docs, Figma, Mocks. Okay. Today, teams use AI in isolated part of the process, but there is no system that support the full loop of product discovery. Yes, 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 भाई ये तो है यार। श्योर श्योर अमन भाई, नो इशू नो इशू। कर्सर फॉर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर इज नॉट इजी। आवेज आवेज भाई, प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट इजी, डोंट ट्राई दैट। ओके। भाई मतलब देखो, जेन्युइनली प्रॉब्लम तो ये सही है ना, और ऑन टॉप ऑफ AI ही बिल्ड कर रहे हैं, अगर हम वैसा कुछ बनाए तो उस चीज का ही फायदा है वैसे ना। यू कांट वाइप कोड ए ब्लैक बॉक्स फॉर ID यूजिंग AI। हम्म। ओके। भाई देखो आइडिया तो सही है कि मतलब अभी तक हम जो AI यूज कर रहे हैं वो हम सिर्फ उस पे कर रहे हैं, है ना, इंडिविजुअल एक प्रोसेस को ऑटोमेट कर रहे हैं। अगर पूरी प्रोसेस हमें प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट से प्रोजेक्ट डिलीवरी तक ऐसा कोई टूल बनाया जा सके, है ना, जो ये सारी प्रॉब्लम सोल्व कर दे। एवरी सक्सेसफुल प्रोडक्ट रिक्वायर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट, टॉकिंग टू यूजर, अंडरस्टैंडिंग मार्केट, सिंथेसाइजिंग फीडबैक। बट है तो थोड़ा टफ तो है भाई, देखो आई अग्री, मतलब है ना, यस। ओके, आई नो इट्स वेरी इजी ब्रो, इट्स जस्ट a vector DB and all integration bro. Yes, no, that not how it works. Okay. It needs a calibrating parameter for LLM. Okay. I have done all the research. Let's try प्रदीप भाई। ठीक है भाई, ट्राई करते हैं यार। हम्म। नहीं नहीं भाई, नहीं है भाई टफ। ओके ओके ओके। ठीक है यार, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है अवेश भाई, लेट्स ट्राई इट, है ना, एक बार थोड़े से और देख लेते हैं। और एक काम करते हैं, क्लोड बोट से ही पूछते हैं कि ये हमारे कुछ आइडिया हैं, और इनमें से हम कोई एक आइडिया पे प्रोजेक्ट बनाना चाहते हैं। उससे पूछते हैं कि वो कौन से प्रोजेक्ट में सबसे ज्यादा हमारी हेल्प कर सकता है। नहीं, आई प्रोमिस 2 दिन में बन जाएगा। अरे यार, 2 दिन में बन सकता है क्या यार, मतलब थोड़ा सा स्केप्टिकल हूं मैं, मतलब 2 दिन में तो नहीं बनेगा ये। यू नीड टू कोलैबोरेट पैरामीटर एंड सिस्टम प्रॉम्प्ट फॉर LLM विच यू विल यूज फॉर ID बिल्डिंग फॉर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट। हाँ, 2 दिन तो नहीं भाई, 2 दिन से तो ज्यादा लगेंगे भाई, ऐसा नहीं है, मुझे पता है ना। यस यस भाई, ब्रूटल एजेंसी के अलावा ही एक नया आइडिया एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं भाई, है ना। अभी वही बिल्ड ऑन वाइब भाई, अभी वही देख रहे हैं हमने कुछ, ये वाईसी फंडेड स्टार्टअप है, उन्होंने एक लिस्ट बनाई है कि जिस पे बना के हम बिजनेस बनाया जा सकता है और जिसकी फंडिंग भी इजीली हो जाएगी। तो हम वही प्रोजेक्ट्स एक बार डिस्कवर कर रहे हैं कि भाई क्या प्रोडक्ट बनाया जाए। बन जाएगा भाई, बना दूंगा। ओके भाई यार, अरे बैन हो जाएगा, बस N10 यूज करना बंद कर दो। हाँ, N10 तो नहीं भाई, N10 तो नहीं यूज करेंगे। वो तो मेरे को ये था कि भाई एक बार के लिए मैं यूज करके देखना चाहता था कि फ्रंट एंड में बैक एंड अगर हम मैं लिंक कर दूं एक। ओके रिवाज भाई, आई प्रोमिस आई विल डू इट। यस भाई, आवेज भाई आई थिंक भाई इंथुजियास्ट है, और मतलब मैं मतलब उस चीज पे डाउट नहीं कर रहा हूँ। बट मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ भाई, अभी जितने भी ये हैं आइडियाज, इन सबको अगर हम क्लोड बोर्ड पे डालें और उससे पूछें कि भाई इसमें से कौन सा बेस्ट है, वो बन जाए, बना दे, वो हमारी हेल्प कर दे। हम्म। यस यस, अग्री रिवाज भाई, मतलब ये तो है यार भाई, सीरियस बिजनेस बनाने के में तो टाइम लगता है वैसे भाई, है ना। ठीक है, ये बनाया जा सकता है क्या भाई? एजेंसीज हैज बीन ऑलवेज बीन क्रेजी हार्ड टू स्केल, लो मार्जिन, स्लो मैनुअल वर्क, and the only way to grow is to add more people, but AI changes this. Now instead of selling software to customer to help to do the work, you can charge way more by using the software yourself and selling them the finished product at 100x the price. Think of a design firm that use AI to produce custom design work for client upfront to win the business before the contract is even signed, or a ad agency that use the AI to create stunning video ads without the time and expense of setting up a physical suit, or a law firm that use AI to write legal docs. भाई ये आइडिया कैसा है यार? ये आइडिया मतलब नहीं कर सकते हम? मार्केटिंग हार्ड है, बिल्डिंग बहुत इजी है। हाँ हाँ, मतलब ये मार्केटिंग वाले के लिए ही है। इसमें क्या किया जा सकता है इसके? ये आइडिया क्या है, मतलब इसको थोड़ा सा देख सकते हैं क्या?
Agencies have always been crazy hard to scale. Low margins, slow manual work, and the only way to grow is to add more people. But AI changes this. Now, instead of selling software to customers to help them do the work, you can charge way more by using the software yourself and selling them the finished product at 100 times the price. Think
आवेश भाई, मैं ना तुम्हें वो भेजता हूँ, ठीक है? लिंक भेजता हूँ जूम का, ज्वाइन करो भाई, एक बार डिस्कस करते हैं कि क्या बना सकते हैं, ठीक है? करोगे ज्वाइन जूम?
of a design firm that uses
ठीक है भाई, मैं भेजता हूँ लिंक, फिर है ना, फिर एक बार डिस्कस करते हैं। हम्म, ओके। आवेश भाई, उस पे डिस्कॉर्ड पे भेज रहा हूँ, ठीक है, डिटेल्स। ठीक है यार। हेलो हेलो हेलो। आवाज आ रही क्या?
अरे
ओके। हाँ यार, स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ, ठीक है।
हाँ,
नहीं गिरेगी बेटा। ठीक है यार, स्क्रीन दिखे तो बताना है ना।
हाँ देखिए।
ठीक है यार। हम्म। बेटा काम कर रहे हैं पापा। यस भाई, रिवाज भाई, ये हमारा सेल्फ होस्टेड है अभी के लिए, पर्सनल असिस्टेंट काइंड ऑफ क्लोड बोट। ठीक है यार। अभी देख, मैं ये कह रहा था भाई, अब एक तो आइडिया ये है जिस पे तुम काम कर रहे थे ना, कि भाई कर्सर फॉर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर,
हाँ ये।
है ना।
हाँ
और अब मैं ये सोच रहा था, ये वाला जो है एआई नेटिव एजेंसी, इसका क्या
हाँ।
मतलब हुआ यार? इस
वो
ये
ना वो क्या करता है, बस जो एआई एजेंट बनेगा ना वो एग्जिस्टिंग एआई टूल्स को यूज करने के लिए बनेगा, ऐसा है वो।
अच्छा।
मतलब अगर तुम्हें हॉटस्पॉट नहीं आता तो हॉटस्पॉट के लिए एक एजेंट बनाओगे,
हम्म।
जिससे कि तुम चैट करके पूरा हॉटस्पॉट कंट्रोल कर सको, ऐसे।
अच्छा, हब स्पॉट को, सीआरएम को लिए अलग से।
हॉटस्पॉट या फिर कोई भी टूल के लिए तुम वो एजेंट बना सकते हो।
हम्म। अच्छा।
वो कर्सर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर बन जाएगा, बहुत आसान है वो।
हम्म। अच्छा, एक चीज बताओ यार, इसमें आ, जो हमारा मेन जो बनेगा हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर, है ना।
हाँ हाँ।
अच्छा अच्छा, एक मिनट। अभी आ रही होगी, है ना, गूगल मीट वाले की अभी वॉइस आ रही होगी। एक बार देखना, आवेश स्ट्रीम पे वॉइस आ रही है तुम्हारी?
क्या पता, मैंने बंद कर दी स्ट्रीम अभी।
अच्छा, कोई नहीं, ठीक है, अब आ जाएगी, कोई नहीं। ये ठीक है। हाँ यार, गूगल मीट वाले की अभी वॉइस आ रही है। एक बार देखना, आवेश स्ट्रीम पे वॉइस आ रही है तुम्हारी? हम्म। ठीक है यार, अब तो हमारा जो ये प्रोडक्ट बनेगा, एक ओवरव्यू दोगे कि वो कैसे काम करेगा? जैसे मान लो एक नया
प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर वाला।
हम्म, प्रोडक्ट
वो
मैन
बस ना उसमें ना नोटबुक एलएम कैसा है,
हाँ
उसमें सब हम इंटीग्रेशन करके पूरा सब ये कर देते हैं, डाउनलोड।
हाँ।
वैसे सब इसमें आ जाएगा, और वो ना प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर की तरह काम करेगा कि इतना सब डेटा है मेरे पास, अब क्या बनाना है, आगे क्या करना है, वो बस गाइडेंस देगा, इतना ही।
अच्छा।
नोटबुक एलएम जैसा ही। तुम
हम्म।
अपलोड करो
हम्म।
और हो जाएगा।
अच्छा, मैं ये सोच रहा था, जो ये है ना अपना ओपन क्लो वाला, इससे ही हम ये नहीं पूछे कि भाई ये मेरे पास आइडिया है, और मैं सिंगल पर्सन कंपनी है, मतलब काइंड ऑफ, है ना।
हाँ
तो
पूछ लो ना फिर।
है ना, तो हम मतलब कौन सा बेस्ट आइडिया है जिसपे तुम हमारी हेल्प करो, और जो
अभी तो तुम एक बार वो पढ़ के देखो रिक्वेस्ट लिस्ट, जो है ना,
हाँ
सारे आइडिया लीगल वाले हैं उसके नीचे वाले, वो कर्सर फॉर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर से नीचे, तो तुम्हें
हाँ हाँ,
एंट्री लेवल कॉस्ट बहुत ज्यादा होगी।
अच्छा।
ये फ्री में स्टार्ट हो सकता है, पूरा कंप्लीटली फ्री, और एक दो कस्टमर भी फ्री में।
नहीं, इसमें जो ये है एजेंसी वाला, तो ये एजेंसी वाला ऐसा बोल रहा है क्या ये कि एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म बन जाए जहां पे अ, हम सारे जो भी सर्विसेज हैं जो पहले हमें जैसे एजेंसी में क्या है अगर किसी की डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करवानी तो एक बंदा रखेंगे वो जो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कैंपेन रन करेगा है ना और एक है
हाँ,
वीडियो शूट
उसका
है तो वीडियो शूट
स्पेसिफिक
करेगा।
स्पेसिफिक एजेंट होंगे पूरे।
ओके। रिवाज भाई बोल रहे हैं एक बार उनको ऐड करें।
हाँ, कर दो।
ठीक है रिवाज भाई आई एम पिंगिंग यू द मीट आईडी ओके। वही है यार एक बार करेंगे तो फिर ढंग से स्टार्ट करेंगे यार मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि बीच में छोड़े उसको पूरा प्रोडक्टाइज करके उसका मार्केटिंग तक लेके जाएंगे उसको
हाँ।
है ना तभी फायदा है। एक मिनट मैं पिंग कर रहा हूँ रिवाज भाई तुम्हें।
हाँ।
ओ यार कैसे पिंग यार एक तो है ना यार बड़ा मुश्किल है इसमें ना कर्सर का। यूरिको हेलो भाई कैसे हो भाई ऑल गुड भाई हाउ आर यू मेरे दोस्त। एक मिनट यहाँ पे यार एक तो ये मेरे को ना ये चलाना भी नहीं आता यार डिस्कॉर्ड सही से। एक मिनट रिवाज को एक काम करता हूँ भाई ग्रुप पे डाल देता हूँ है ना। रिवाज भाई आई सेंड द मीटिंग आईडी ऑन द ग्रुप कैन यू सी इट। Before you build something be confident enough that you are able to completely build it। यस भाई स्वप्निल भाई 100,000 बिलियन डॉलर कंपनी यस यस भाई। ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है। हम्म, अच्छा आए शायद भाई। हेलो अमन भाई
हेलो भाई हेलो।
सेंड ऑन ईमेल ठीक है भाई ईमेल पे सेंड करता हूँ ठीक है। 1 सेकेंड।
क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
यार वही देख रहे थे यार है ना कोई वाईसी फंडेड स्टार्टअप है ना जो उनको रेप्लिकेट करके या उनकी जो कोई प्रॉब्लम है।
अरे इसका ही वो बनाते ना जो हावेज ने कल बोला था क्लाउड का जो था।
रैपर क्लोड रैपर।
अरे नहीं उसको डायनेमिक बनाना था।
हम्म।
हावेज ही बताया ना उसका कंपनी ने।
हाँ
पता भाई।
एक बार है ना एक बंदा है यार ये रिवाज भाई है ना मतलब
हम्म,
इससे थोड़ा सा एक बार देखना है क्या उनका
मतलब जो ना मीट पे किया था।
हाँ हाँ तो उसने 2-3 स्टार्टअप बिल्ड किए हैं भाई तो मैं देखना चाह रहा था कि कैसा भाई अब वॉइस नहीं आ रही क्या मीट की यार आनी तो चाहिए यार कल तक तो सही आ रही थी भाई आनी चाहिए यार ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए है ना। हम्म हम्म। हेलो हेलो भाई क्या हाल चाल है। एआई लोक जिला भाई बहुत लो आ रही है अच्छा लो आ रही है समझ गया भाई मैं अब आ जाएगी पूरी। बिल्ड ऑन वॉइस भाई अब सही आएगी आवाज। भाई किसी बंदे ने भाई अमन तेरे पे कमेंट किया यार वीडियो पे।
क्या किया भाई?
कोई बोल रहा है भाई बिना डोकर पड़े कुबरनेट्स पे भेज रहा है भाई पागल हो गया क्या ऐसे करके। मैं बोला ठीक है भाई स्ट्रीम पे आएगा उससे पूछूंगा मैं। ठीक है भाई दिखाऊंगा तुझे कमेंट ठीक है। 1 मिनट भाई बंदा आ गया अपना। यस
यार डॉकर
अब
में
बढ़िया
कितने टाइम
बढ़िया
लगता
वो आएगी भाई भाई
है?
याद हो।
डॉकर पर कितने टाइम लगता है यार सीखने में? क्या
हम्म
बात कर रहे हो यार?
हम्म ठीक है यार, बंद कर दिया ना? ठीक है, ठीक है। हेलो 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 रिवाज भाई।
Hi,
हाँ जी भाई, कैसे हो
can
यार?
you listen me? Can you listen me?
यस यस।
Yeah. So like I was going through your YouTube videos and I started following you since like maybe like 4 5 days, okay? And I think you are doing quite good job, right? And I just wanted to know what you are working on it and how you are proceeding the things.
Okay, Rivaz bhai, first of all, thank you for joining the Zoom meeting, and thank you for following the channel and checking out the videos. So Rivaz, let me uh, tell you that I am not a hardcore developer. Okay, by profession,
Yeah.
I am a data analyst, and currently I am working in a finance firm. uh, but somehow like using AI, so I try to build my own product. Okay, I tried few products as you see on my channel. So I have built one e-commerce website, front end, back end, everything for a normal e-commerce website. Then I thought ki I should make a marketing platform fully automated. Okay, but then
Yes.
you suggested like these kind of platform not gonna be funded, and these are not scalable. Okay, so I haven't much like experience in building this startup, so that's why I'm just learning from the guys who are just guiding me or giving the suggestion. I'm just going through that only. And one thing I realized, before I started this, so I thought let me build some products just for learning purpose, and once I got what I should build for a long term wise, then I will build it seriously. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the
So
thing.
my question is that, so
Hmm.
what's your background? I mean to say, you let me know that you are from finance, right?
Yes, yes,
So
I am.
what's your background in it?
So my current firm is it's a asset management organization. If you heard about BlackRock, Vanguard,
Yeah.
State
It's a
Street,
raise fund,
yeah.
right?
So
So
yeah,
basically, it's a raise fund.
yes,
So why
investor.
don't you like make a like product on the thing that you are already like capable or already had experience on the market exposure? I mean to
Hmm.
say, like, if you are on the like such kind of finance institution, right? You
Hmm.
know how the back end work logically, okay? So why don't you scale up such kind of product in e-commerce, right? Because
Hmm.
there is two fundamentals of building product. One being a product itself, right? Which is like coding and everything, and there is another thing which is known as like a backend. Okay, I don't mean to say the coding backend, but I mean to say a logistic backend. So how you are going to like completely run the cycle of software or a tech startup, okay? So it needs some kind of core knowledge, and I think that it would be much more suitable for you to work on something that you already know. Why to start with zero? I mean to say.
Okay. Yes, bhai. Currently, bhai, I'm just going by directionless. So, what I want, so I heard like in future, like building product will be easier, but distribution would be the key. So that's the thing. That's why I started this YouTube channel to create this community for the people who might be in future interested in my product. So yeah. So Rivaz, can you like walk you walk us through your journey, how you started? Like you have already raised some investment from VC, right? So
Yeah.
in your journey, what kind of challenges you face, and any suggestion for the new beginner like us? So it would be a great help if you like share your journey and your
So
experience.
so what I want to say is that there's no anything called right or wrong, okay? So what you have to be is very consistent, because there will be a lot of problem in making project work, right? It's not just about like building a product, but to make that product viable for market fit. My first problem was that I was building my product which only solved my problem. Basically the problem was not there even in the market. So make sure that you don't do that thing. First you have to market validate properly, because in this generation the AI has like a growth, it has a very good growth, and it start working exponentially. Okay, so anyone can write a code or like develop a product. But first thing is you need to find and identify the real problems, because without a real problem, people won't be able to like they won't be buying your product, right? In the end, if you are trying to build something, either to build a pioneering software or pioneering tech, or like a scalable thing, which is
Hello,
very different,
can I
right?
disturb you? Excuse me. Everyone tells this, but how to do this? No one tell. Can you tell us that? How did you do that? How do
Yes.
you that?
How
Means
to do
So
market research and
why
how
I
to.
didn't told you is because like there is nothing right or wrong, okay? And it is a very long process, and it's a lot of failure and a lot of things. So basically everyone saying would be similar to mine, like a philosophical, but it's not the truth, because everyone has their own journey, and we cannot explain such things easily just by a chat, okay? You know what I mean to say?
Yes, yes. I think yeah. Yeah, you are correct. Yeah. It's not like you can just give 10 minute speech or we can figure
Yeah,
it out. It's a
yeah.
long journey. You have to. Yeah,
But
yeah,
you can
correct.
just explain that you have this problem and how you solve that.
Yes.
Just explain that.
If
That
you
is enough for
if
us.
you Rivaj, if you start from the scratch, so what problem you would pick and how you think about that and how you will do the market research. So if you just want to know your thought process.
So um, how do I explain it? First, the thing is, so basically, I'm having difficulty on explaining it. Okay,
Okay,
so how
okay.
would I acknowledge the problem? First, I would be going through a lot of like research through internet, and
Hmm,
see what's working right now, right? So basically, I will give you example. For example, I can't explain you, but I will give you example. For
hmm.
example, this is the era of AI, right? And everyone is working on AI and artificial intelligence. Everyone is trying to train their model, but the context is they don't have the validated data. So the data is the mind for the AI. So you can go through the data work. You know what I mean to say? For example, you know the skill AI or not? The guy
Yes,
Alexander
that
Wang.
Alexander man.
Yeah, what he did was he knew that everyone is going to work on AI and everyone is going to create their own large language models. But the problem was they didn't have the validated data to feed and train the large language models. Okay, so what he did is created a skill AI company, and he started it, validating the data and collected the data which is very valuable for training the models, and he rent those data to government agencies or like a big tech agency who are taking his data, and like they are training their model. So what it means is, if the output if the input is garbage, the output would be garbage, even if you made very good large language model, right? So you can find such kind of in every new solutions there are different problems that you need to find. So that's how the things work. I just can give you examples, but I cannot like prove you what it works or what it does not works. Everyone has different way of working, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, so that's the thrive.
Yeah, yeah. Rivas, we agree. Like there is no such formula, like successful formula, right?
Yes.
You have to try and yeah, you have to learn from your mistake, and eventually, if you build a good product, it it will automatically acquire some customer, right?
It's not about the good product, it's
Yeah.
about solving the problem,
Problem.
the
Okay.
valid problem,
Valid
right?
problem.
So
Mm-hmm.
so what I mean to say is, yesterday I saw you like
Mm-hmm.
I saw your stream, right? And
Okay.
someone told that We could like prompt the we could prompt to the AI and get a feedback and train the model, right? His own model, which is very wrong, because the AI would give a generic answers. And how would you like train the model on the generic context? You know what I mean to say, right?
Yes.
It gives us generic synthetic output, and training the model over the some else model of output is wrong. It would eventually saturate in some point. So those kind of things should not be on the like AI scaling.
Okay. And Rivaz, uh, like you have already built like 4 5 SaaS product, right? So
Yes.
can you show us like some, if you have, like how did you uh, acquire the customer, and how did you reach out to the,
Hello.
hello, I'm audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and how you reach out to the investors, and like that kind of stuff.
So uh, so basically, what I want to say is there are like two type of investors.
Okay.
One being a bean counter, if you know what I mean to say, someone who wants to extract every like value from you, and one who believe in you, right? So it depends totally on someone who you are teaching. What I mean to say is like if there is good context on the founder, then someone would be investing on the founder rather than the product, and someone else would be like believing on the product rather than the founder, right? You understand what I mean to say?
Yes, 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 correct, correct.
Yes.
It's depend upon the reputation of the founder
Yeah.
also.
Yeah, so the main thing is like you have to be very consistent, and you have to like show the VC or any funders, right, that you are capable of building something. And the VC should be also similar kind of person, rather than someone who would think of like investing on you, but to extract value from you, but not to build a product. So how you approach and to whom you approach is like big kind of deal. And also you have to have your own core values, how you want to build the product, and what's your goal in goal, or like are you trying to like exit from like 2 3 years, or like what's your goal. Anything that needs to be very clear and persistent to forward, okay? And that needs to be understood by the investor as well as yourself properly. And first the thing is like you have to understand yourself rather than someone else, because like most of the people are going through uh am I audible?
Yes, 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 Riva, you are. We are just listening to you. Yes,
Yeah,
you can continue.
because like most of the people are only going through a lot of like generic ideas, and everyone is building on top of wrappers, right?
Right.
And people think that vibe coding is only like coding and like connecting APIs, but the model context and everything architecture and how to run and maintain the like program is very important. Because what's the point of building if it's not scaling, or like it's not like giving value to the community, right? So first the thing is solving a valid problem and like giving a value to a community. After you understand that, only then you can like create a valuable product. That is what I understand. So the thing is like I wish I could like talk in like Hindi. I don't know how to like properly talk in Hindi. I would
No
be
issue, bhai.
explaining you much more better.
Be
But
comfortable, yeah. No issue. If you are comfortable in English, that is fine, I think.
yeah,
Hmm.
so
And
so the
Rivaz, if you, uh, uh, yeah, what's your age, if you are, if you can share,
I'm
like
22. I'm 22.
22. Okay.
Yeah,
So you are in college, or you are doing this full time or part time, this product building,
this is
or
my like full time.
full time?
Right now, I'm in a gap year and I'm doing this full time.
Where do
Okay.
you live right now?
Sorry.
Nepal, I think, right? Rivaz, you are
Yeah,
from Nepal.
I do live in Nepal. Yeah, I'm
Yes.
from Nepal.
Okay, yaar. How's the things there now? Is it good now?
Yeah, of
Okay.
course.
Yeah, there is a new PM, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. He's a rapper. Okay, यार.
So basically, like, I want to also understand your context, right? I'm not
हम्म.
giving a valuable insight right now, but
हम्म.
the thing is, eventually, the main problem is like you have to know what you are building. That is what I learned from a lot of experience. I feel a lot of sass because I was solving the problem that was not existing in reality, and I
हम्म.
think that most of the people think that everyone says such thing, but they don't teach you how to build the product. But the reality is you need to understand what you are building, otherwise you won't be like very convincing to the community or give the values. And even
हम्म.
if you try for like YC or Y Combinator startup, right, they
हम्म.
would be like betting on the founder rather than the project. They can like totally like pivot the project if they want, right? But if they have got instinct that the founder can do something, then they would be willing to invest on you. That is the thing that which I understand. So you understand what I mean to
Yes.
say, right?
Yeah, you was. And
And
in your SaaS product which you have built, so what tech stack you have used for the scaling? Like generally different tech stack people are suggesting. So what should
yeah,
be the tech stack when building the such SaaS product?
so like there is no any kind of rule, but like scaling the project, right?
Hmm.
How big the bandwidth of the project will go, that is to be like undertaken on mind. And most of the software are like built nowadays on IDE, like agentic browsers, right? So everyone is building on Cursor or like Cloud Code or everything, right? Why
Hmm.
you would be doing the work if the like AI is able to write the code for you better, right?
Hmm.
That is the thing. And like the most important is like the further like database you can use AWS if you want to scale the project in large bandwidth. And you have to be very careful how you pivot and how you like scale the product, because in the end there will be some problems when you are not able to manage the project. And I think that is the thing. So
Okay. So Rivaj, if you had to pick any one of this YC startup, the suggestion given here, what would you pick?
So I wouldn't pick anything
Okay.
because if I'm not capable of building it, right, why would
Hmm.
I pick? You have to be very careful about it, right?
Hmm. But
And those
we
are not
at
only
least we
the
have to
valid.
pick something, na. So.
Those are not like those are not only the valid program, right?
Hmm.
There are a lot of other programs also that has real meaning on the market, right? And if you could see there, can you scroll over?
Yeah.
And what were you talking about calibrating and all that?
So you have to like set a parameter for like system prompt, like how
System
the
prompt design.
sorry,
System prompt designing. Is it?
yeah, system prompt. So you have to give the context to the large language model what to act and what not to act, otherwise it will only give a bluff.
Yes, it will have data and it will be told in the system prompt that you are product manager. This is data, and you have to answer the questions of other product managers. Is it?
That is not only the thing, it should be very depth.
Yes, it should be, but from above side, like upper, upper.
Sorry.
Yeah. Avis,
Just
you
an
want. So Avis, do you have any like there was this idea you were talking about, na? For the Claude Code dynamic bot. So you can discuss that, and I think we can have a opinion from Rivaz on that.
नहीं है, अभी नहीं, अभी नहीं, वो
अभी
नहीं।
नहीं. Okay.
हाँ,
ओके यार. ओके. ठीक है. तो रिवाज, so you were saying there are other ideas also on this website, right? Y Combinator.
Yeah, you could see the fall 25. Those
Okay.
ideas also like are validated for now.
Okay. Retaining worker for the AI economy. Okay. So Rivaz, we as per like your understanding, can we build the whole product using vibe coding? Is it not possible?
It's possible.
Okay.
It's possible, but like you need to understand the like basic architecture of like code
Hmm.
base, right?
Yes, yes.
Eventually, when you scale up the product, right, it will be a lot of hassle for there.
Okay, so we have to
Like,
understand the
for example,
architecture.
you are shifting. For example, you are shifting complete like a database or something. It will be very hard, right? If you don't know how to like make the product, if
Yes.
you are not like very like architecturally engineered.
Okay. And where we can
What could
learn
be that
that?
architecture understanding?
Sorry.
What could be that architecture understanding, for example?
So you need to be like eventually you need to have know the knowledge of coding and so on little bit, and you have to be learning all those things also.
Hmm. Okay. Yes, I think we have to figure it out by ourselves. But yes, I think first we need to start and yeah, see what kind of challenges we will face because we haven't launched any product yet. So we don't know yet, है ना? So once we build two, three
Start
products,
करके देख
eventually,
सकते हो, मुझे
हाँ,
लग रहा है.
first let's start with something and let's see कि how it gonna work यार है ना what kind of challenges we face but we will try to learn each and everything regarding the project that we are starting like architecture wise and uh, and the tech stack wise है ना so we will start to understand each and everything. Okay, okay, so anyone have any question for Rivaz or anyone want to discuss anything because I was chasing Rivas for 2 3 days. So, but yeah, if anyone have any question or want to discuss anything, so he's open for that. So you can discuss. Priyans, you want to go ahead? Prityans, do you have any question? Otherwise, we will explore the ideas and we will start something today, and then we will
Let's
do it.
stop exploring and let's start building something, I think.
Yes, yes, yeah. I think that's the
अब
okay.
बना के पता चलेगा यार क्या करना है आगे।
Okay, yaar.
बात करने की क्यों है यार।
Okay, yaar. Okay, thanks, Rivaz. Thank you for joining, yaar. We will start and let's see, yaar, how it gonna work, है ना? Yes, okay. ठीक है यार. तो अब हम थोड़ा सा हिंदी में स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं ना? है भाई? यस भाई. ओके यार. हाँ, ठीक है भाई. मेरा तो थोड़ा चक्कर आ गया थोड़ा सा ना देख के कि क्या करना चाहिए मेरे को सही राइट प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट अब ढूंढनी है यार एक तो कि क्या किया जा सकता है यार. यार मेरा है ना पहले ये आइडिया था कि मेरे को ना डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से रिलेटेड कोई प्रोडक्ट बिल्ड करना है यार. उस पे नहीं कर सकते क्या हम कोई डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बिजनेसेस के लिए कुछ उस तरीके से लिंक्डइन आउटरीच या ट्विटर वगैरह पे हम लोगों को आउटरीच करें थ्रू आवर प्लेटफॉर्म.
हाय प्रदीप भाई, क्या हाल है?
हेलो हेलो भाई. गुड भाई. तुम कहाँ थे भाई बोला ही नहीं आपने कुछ. मुझे लगा कुछ
आज तो वो
क्वेश्चन
थोड़ा,
आएंगे.
नहीं नहीं,
नहीं.
थोड़ा वो काम कर रहा था कुछ.
ठीक है भाई. ठीक है यार.
के- और बताइए, क्या डिस्कस करना है आज?
आज आवेज बताएगा यार. आवेज भाई बताओ यार क्या प्रॉब्लम पिक करनी चाहिए यार. आवेज अमन.
मुझे तो लग रहा है वो प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर कर्सर फॉर वो बहुत आसान है बनाने के लिए, मुझे लग रहा है.
हम्म,
वेबसाइट भी बनाना
अरे
पड़ेगा,
आपको
सिस्टम
एक
प्रॉम्प्ट
चीज
का.
दिखानी है आपको।
हाँ.
एक चीज दिखानी है ना।
हाँ, दिखा दो.
हम्म,
हम्म.
Hours.
दिख रही है।
Hello.
हेलो.
Hours.
हाँ.
So can you like explain how would you build this product? The
I
product
भाई
will
is
start. I will start by like interface for uploading files and pasting text some kind of, and I will means split view, and at the right there will be a chat interface, and at left there will be uploading section. At the right means at the left, when I will upload things, that will go into a
So my
database.
question is like, how would
एनोनिमस
you like
भाई भैया
optimize the large language model for that
भाई
only
आज 6 अप्रैल
particular
है, टुडे आई
project, or
लॉस्ट
like
माय
that only
अरे
particular
सॉरी
By
टू
use
हियर भाई.
quantizing it,
case?
brother.
Sorry.
Quantizing the LLM model.
मेक ए
Yeah.
माइक्रो कैमरा फॉर
So like, how would you do those process?
I will give it a lot of context
भाई मुझे
about
जोर
product
से डिप्रेशन
managers,
आ रहा है.
how
क्यों,
things
क्या हो
work,
गया ऋषि
all
भाई?
the
डोंट बी.
workflow in the system prompt, and what to do that all the workflow from ChatGPT or any very good large language model like Claude. I will give it all the system prompt instructions, all that things, and then I will just give the data and it will do all the things else.
So like, do you think that like you could like maintain those kind of like product and scale?
Uh,
Sure, right. It's quite easy to run such LLM models which are really quantized. It's kind of like easier to, like have a 17 billion parameters model to be converted into a million parameter, and then also give us the output of pretty much as equivalent to the latest Gemini models. So if you're doing that, then you really can pull it off, and especially you can run it on local machines, which is quite a big thing in terms of security wise.
So like,
But
what if like tomorrow like Corsair drop itself such kind of product? What would be your like USP for that? Like,
USP
so if
USP is
like
that
saturate your product, right? If some like big tech like of Microsoft or like any like Corsair or anything, if they
see,
build
here I would
such
say
kind,
they see the thing is that we are not competing with other companies that are already existing in, right. They're already the competitor that we have. We are trying to create an indigenous LLM model. We don't have so many indigenous in India itself. We're not going for US and like competing with them like, oh, we have the model. We're
but
competing
like,
here with our
if you
own indigenous
are
people.
building those kind of product, right, then you
Hmm.
like automatically will be on those kind of era, right? Those kind of context of level of area.
Well, if you look at how China is behaving, right? Like China is doing its own on its own, right? DeepSeek is just trying to steal the data from Claude. So if you look at that, I mean, I think it's quite possible for India to do that. And we need more indigenous LLM models rather than depending on the US dependence model, because also we are feeding the data to them. That's why all of these industries are actually trying to settle up in India because we have such a large base. So if you're having a competition, I don't think they will ever be in a competition with us if we are at that scale. Because see, we have a very large data within our own country. We don't need to go anywhere else.
Okay.
प्रदीप भाई, मैं यार ये दिखाना चाह रहा था इसको ना।
हम्म. हाँ यार भाई, दिखाओ यार एक बार.
अब स्क्रीन दिख रही है।
हाँ हाँ.
भाई हमने ना इसमें अभी जो एआई पे हम लोग कर्नल लेवल पे डाल रहे थे ना एलएलएम,
हाँ
हम्म.
तो ये क्वांटाइज एलएलएम हमने लोड कराया है। ठीक है। तो ये
हाँ
जो टाइनी एलएलएम नहीं बोल रहे थे तुम लोग, की टाइनी वाला एक छोटा सा एलएलएम आता है जो स्टोरी वगैरह के लिए यूज होता है।
हाँ
तो ये हमने अभी कर्नल पे लोड कराया है। फिर हमने एक
हम्म,
ब्रेन इन्फ्लुएंस मॉडल को यूज करके एक टोकन जो जनरेट होते हैं अपने। ठीक है। ये हमारा टोकनाइजर रेडी हो गया है यहाँ पे, जो ब्रेन इन्फ्लुएंस होता है, इन्फ्लुएंस इंजन जो होता है, हमने
हाँ
उसका यूज करके एक्चुअल में आउटपुट जनरेट कराया है। और ये आउटपुट जनरेट हो रहा है 0 मिली सेकेंड्स में, 0.00 कुछ मिली सेकेंड्स में होगा। और हम्म, ऐसा समझो यार, ये ना 32 MB रैम पे जनरेट किया है इसने।
32 MB रैम पे। अच्छा है। कौन सा मॉडल लोड किया पर?
यार ये इसमें वो है, टाइनी एलएलएम नहीं होता, 60 60 MB का मॉडल है ये।
अरे भाई, खतरनाक।
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, लाइक क्वांटाइज करके ना हम ऐसे छोटे छोटे एलएलएम मॉडल बना सकते हैं जो बहुत फास्ट है और बहुत कम रैम पे चल जाएंगे।
तुमने वो मैंने बोला था टर्बो क्वांट का रिसर्च पेपर पढ़ा क्या वो?
भाई टर्बो क्वांट यार वो एक वो रिसर्च ही है भाई, वो प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन
हेलो
अभी नहीं।
भाई, यहाँ पे कोई सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर है क्या?
अमन।
अमन भाई है यार सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर।
भाई क्योंकि मुझे अपना ऐप बनवाना था, क्योंकि अभी भाई बहुत एडवांस स्टेज में आ गया हूँ मैं। खाली
क्या ढूंढ
इन्वेस्टर ही ढूंढ रहे हैं, पिच कर रहे हैं। मैं ऋषिश
हाँ।
बोल रहा हूँ।
आइडिया क्या है भाई?
आइडिया तो फिनटेक स्टार्टअप है।
फिनटेक है?
हाँ।
ठीक है भाई, सही जगह आए हो।
Radix.
भाई
रिवा
वो किसका क्या पूछ रहे थे प्रदीप भाई, क्या
Hello.
कमेंट आया?
वो कमेंट मैं
हाँ,
पढ़ पढ़ के बताता हूँ यार, एक मिनट।
हाँ।
hello, Predix.
हाँ हाँ भाई, हाँ, यस यस रिवाज, यस।
So, like,
भाई
have you tried for like building mobile app or not?
ओके, या आई वाज थिंकिंग लाइक वी विल बिल्ड मोबाइल ऐप एंड्रॉइड और आईओएस आल्सो।
I think like it would be much more better for you to focus on those things because it has
ओके
more of like general consumers, right?
ओके
And like you can scale those in such level,
ओके
and you can like generate some revenues on that.
ओके
I
यार।
think that is much more easier than like building a web app and scaling it.
ओके, सो यू आर सेइंग बी टू बी वुड बी डिफिकल्ट, बी टू वी कैन
Yeah,
ट्राइंग
of
बी टू
course.
सी फर्स्ट।
Yeah, of course, because like B2B has a lot of things, right?
हम्म।
And it needs to be like also there are going to be like enterprise level of softwares, and it would be much more harder for you to like scale as well as maintain, right? So
हम्म।
like better focus on like small problem and small thing, and B2C would be like much more easier to scale for you.
श्योर रिवाज, आई थिंक यार, यस भाई। आई विल सी यार, मतलब
So like
आई
I will be
हैवंट
on
बिल्ड इट येट। सो या
I
बट
will
आई,
I will be only like giving you advice, right?
यस भाई,
And I don't have anything else to say, but
यस
like
यस
everyone is doing their own thing and everyone is doing their own way, right? And
यस
everyone might like think it is much more right. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, and everyone has to learn from their own mistakes.
यस
So I don't have anything to like comment on anything else, but like I could advise you like to start first from like B2C and like only like skill and like pivot to B2B and like enterprise level of softwares, right? That is
यस
my like thought. Like if you know like there is a simplest software known as like calorie.ai, right?
यस यस
They are scaling so much. It's very simple problem, but they are like scaling and generating the revenue, right? Either if you are not doing like very pioneering tech like terafab or something like neuralink, such kind of thing are very high level, right? In those kind of thing only like you have to think of ideas, but other else if you just want to create sales and generate revenue, you can like go from like scalable repeatable businesses, very small things.
ओके यार रिवाज, थैंक यू यार, थैंक यू रिवाज फॉर योर सजेशन भाई, मतलब यस।
Yeah, unless it's like pioneering tech, you can like work on small things and generate revenues, and the market is already validated. You can see from like trust mrr. Do you know like trust mrr? There.
ट्रस्ट एमएमआर, कैलोरी आई नो।
No. I mean to say, like, there is a website called Trust MRR, and
ओके
like founders of like tech softwares, they have linked their like um, Stripe account on it, and there is like always live running of their revenues, and you can see those products are already market validated, and like you
ओके
can try from those thing and like also add something very unique, USP, unique selling point on it, right? And like if you know how to like market it well and distribution chains, then you would be making some revenues.
ओके भाई, श्योर
Yeah,
श्योर। सो दिस ट्रस्ट एमएमआर इज अ वेबसाइट वेयर
yeah, you could
they
see.
showcase these
Yeah,
yeah MMR of their product, है ना? So we
yeah.
can pick any of the product from that list which
You
are
could
all
like first like validate the ideas, right?
hmm.
Those are eventually if they are making some money, right? And
Right.
it's very consistent, then those ideas are validated. It's not like a seasonal SaaS that would work for a certain period of time and it will completely go down. And if you could go from like if you see the constant of the revenue circle over there, and like you can validate those ideas and like put different kind of like USP or unique selling point, and how you channel it and distribute is major like role for success over there.
Okay, bhai. Yes, yes, Rivaz. I think, bhai, thank you for your suggestion, bhai. We want to stay in touch with you, bhai. We are trying to build our product.
So like
Once that
you
is
could like
builded,
scroll down, I guess. There
okay.
is a list of product that are doing. See the first one, Stan,
Yeah, yeah.
right? It's making like almost like 3.5 million USD in MRR. And you can like go through all of those product, right? And if you see the constant loop of like a cycle of revenue, right? In
Hmm,
a certain leverage point, then those are eventually market validated product, and if you can do better than them on like distribution and
hmm.
like product development, everything, like maybe you are going to make money.
Okay,
That's the
yeah.
thing. And
Yes, bhai.
those
Great
are very
suggestion.
like, yeah, very simple apps. You don't have to make like very big thing,
Okay.
those things.
Yeah,
And I
I
think
think
that
as
which
per current expertise, we need such kind of app. But yeah,
yeah,
thank you,
yeah,
yeah. Thank you for
be
that.
very practical. I
Okay.
Be very practical. Don't like think like building a very pioneering thing at
Hmm,
first. That is the one of the biggest mistake at first. I also did a lot of those kind of thing, and I did a lot of mistake.
hmm,
And I
hmm.
have like experience. Maybe like you guys know better to like explain or like talk, but I have experience, and I'm telling you through the experience. And if you like directly jump on like building a big thing, then it won't work, basically because you won't be able to like manage and handle the project.
Yes,
It's
bhai.
not only about building, right? It's about like managing the product also, right? And
Correct,
it's
yeah.
about like business and building product, and like building product and building business is completely different thing.
Right,
So
right,
like,
bhai.
and as you know, you are from finance, right? And
Yes,
the
bhai.
product is simple, but the distribution and like managing the product is the key thing on the back, right? uh,
Yes.
and so
Simple
I also,
product, and we have to aggressively go marketing of that product, right?
yeah, that's the key role. And I know some like I also see some of the like Indian content, and I know the Nikhil Kamath,
Yes,
the
yes,
guy
bhai.
from Zerodha, right? He also like cracked down the sales backend physically, and like further like he have like his fund, right?
Yes, yes. There is this.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
he understand the calculation, and like he understand how it works backend, and those things are done backend, right? So he was able to make money, and the most, and he was very good at like maintaining the product. His product being a Zerodha, and he is like able to maintain it as a company, right?
Right, right.
So that's the thing. And only building the product is not a big thing, and to be able to scale it and like repeatedly sell it and to be on the lineage of success is much more harder thing, I guess.
Yes, yes, Rivaz bhai. I think I got your point. Make a simple product, do some marketing, do the organic outreach. Uh, if the product is simple and you can handle the back end and everything, then it would be
Yeah.
great. If we pick the complex product, and if we haven't able to manage it, it won't work, like, है ना?
Yes, yes,
First we
absolutely.
should start with the simple product.
Yes, and
Okay.
I'm being very practical on it.
Yes, yes,
And
bhai. I
everyone is
agree, bhai.
talking about
Matlab.
lot of yeah, everyone is talking of lot of thing like, and they have
Hmm.
lot of different ideas. So for example, I could give you a very realistic idea, but like it's going to be very hard. I will give
Right.
you the example, okay? For example, so we are a weapon making company, suppose, okay?
Okay.
I'm giving you only example, okay?
Right.
So what we want to build is like a thermal imaging with probability sequencing. So what I mean to say is, um, there is a building, right? And there is a person in the target. So we use the thermal imaging, and we sequence with large language model giving a probability sequence and find out where the people are there, in which position people are there, suppose, okay.
Okay.
And the AI will give a coordinates of large longitude and latitude, and the weapon or like missiles could be hitting on those targeted places. Such kind of things also can be built, right? But if you don't know how to like break the like if you don't know how to like communicate with government or like get
Yeah.
a license of building weaponaries or different things, then how would you will be making those things?
Yes.
You know what I mean
Yeah.
to say. I'm
Correct.
just giving
Correct.
you example.
If we,
And
yeah, I heard about just want to share one thing. So there are some of the product which are related to banking or anything, right? In which
yes,
there is a license required. So if we
yes,
can't get
absolutely.
the license, then what is the
Yeah,
purpose to build such kind of
yeah.
product?
And
Yeah, man.
people think that only knowing AI would like get everything, but that's not how everything is going to work. Without like
Yes.
licensing, without like proper distribution or like chain, lot of product is going to fail.
Right.
That is
Right.
what I want to say. Either like
Yes.
everyone could make those kind of like product, right? But if you can't license those kind of product, and if you cannot like do a partnership with government, you won't
Hmm.
be able to sell those kind of product, right?
Right. Right. Right.
So you have
Yes,
to be
bhai.
very like you have to have a like in goal, from starting to in goal you have to like have a map,
Yes. Yes, bhai.
how you are going to build the product and how you are going to launch it, how
And
you are
how
going to
manage
distribute
it?
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and how you are going to scale it also. And like you have to like see the EBITDA also, right?
Yes. Yes.
Like how much money is going on what in APIs or like in backend or anything, how
Yes.
you are cutting the money and everything. So
Yes.
that's the thing.
Yes.
And the
Yes.
revenue is not only the like profit, right? There is a lot of thing in back.
Right. Right. Yeah. We have to see like how much the we are paying for the infra, how much we are
Yes.
paying for the API.
And
Yeah.
yeah,
We have to
and
consider everything.
yeah, and the tech founder lacks on it. They only think the product is the main thing. Yeah, of course the product is main thing, but if you don't know how to like run and regulate the product, it's not going to work. And I'm being very realistic, and I have a lot of like
Hmm.
VCs where I have like talked with them, right? And I got to I got a lot of like simplest answers, and I was also like I mean to say I was naive to understand it, but the simple answers are has a lot of like depth on it to be understood.
Yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, Rivas. Yeah, thank you for sharing that, man. Yes, I got it, but yeah, I go. Yes, try with simple thing, and once you got the experience and everything, then you can start building the big project, B2B kind
Yeah.
of thing. Yes, yeah,
Yes, you won't be able to handle it,
yeah,
and your bandwidth won't be like it will be very costly for you. The
yes,
volumes and someone told just now that they are going to work on fintech. That's the most difficult thing because it's very regulated and a lot of licensing and so on. I also had tried on the fintech project, but like because of licensing, and I gave up because they were asking a lot of money for license.
okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
couldn't
think
like handle it.
Ganesh was there, na? He was saying
And
like,
that's the worst thing that you could work,
okay,
because it's very hard. Without a volume you won't be able to scale with percentage. If there is no any kind, the metrics of like fintech is the percentage, right?
yeah,
You have to like play with the charge of percentage and like issuing of cards and so on, right? And if you are not able to like create a volume, you won't be able to be profitable.
yeah.
You
Yeah,
understand what I mean to
yes,
say?
yes, 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 man.
Yeah, and
Like
it's
Razorpay and each or of these fintech product, they are playing on the volume only, na.
yeah, they are
If
playing on
they have
volume and
10
regulation.
customer only, how much they gonna sustain? Like,
Yeah, they won't be able to like the upfront costing would be more than like 10 million USDs. And how would you be able to like work those product, right? And like
hmm.
so you have to understand the those kind of things as well. It's not only about like building the product. And I don't want to talk on this what I mean to say, I don't want to talk on this Zoom meet about
Yeah.
building the product, but I want to just give you the like reference of example, okay?
Yes, yes.
And I think I won't be able to explain how I will be building my own product on here also, because I'm working on my own product for 8 months,
Okay, yaar.
more than eight
Is it
months,
build,
and I
Rivaz, or is it live, or matlab customer are using it, or what's the state now?
no, it's not been used, but I have
Okay.
already achieved funds on installment.
Okay. Yeah. I
Yeah,
think you were saying
it's
to you raised 20K, right?
yes, yes,
Okay. It's a seed funding or
yeah, yes, it's
okay,
a
yaar.
seed funding.
Okay, yaar. Yes, yaar. Yeah. Thank you,
At what
Rivaz.
age did you started?
Yes, yes.
Sorry.
What age did you started doing
So
this?
like I started approx like 17 years, I guess, when I was 17.
Okay. And
I slowly,
what was your first startup, or how did you get first customers?
so it's first like I did email marketing. As if you could remember the products that I was talking about, like email marketing, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And
You were saying
I
you collect the
yeah,
email.
yes. That's where I start doing a soft launching. I
Okay.
collected the valuable emails from users, right?
Yeah.
And I start collecting it on CSV file, and I was making a HTML emails, and I was like giving them a free like offers first. I just want first the users, and when there will be a traction of users, and slowly you change the habit of users to paying customers. You know what
Hmm.
I mean to say,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Yes,
First
Yes.
you
yes.
give first you give the users first
Free
you give the
value.
user
Solution.
free value,
Solution.
and like when there will be a habit of like using your product, and you like suddenly change slowly and slowly.
Correct, yeah.
That's how it needs to work, right?
Yeah.
Because the first thing of product to success is the exposure. Without exposure, how you will be able to sell?
Right, right. Yeah. I
Yeah,
think
the hard
yeah.
the hard thing was like I was very like driven, and I was very like at first when I was just learning, right? I was very tech driven. I was only thinking about like building the product, but I didn't crack the sales, and I didn't crack how the market distribution would work. And most of the like product were like validated, but I don't know how to like market it or like distribute it, and it failed.
Okay.
Yes, but you told that you did email marketing. Did it succeed?
Yes, of course. It give a traction. People start using some, and I eventually like change it to like much more better plans and slowly engage those people on the product.
Hmm.
And what was the product? You have not described that.
So the I have worked on many products, okay, and I'm giving the summary of all the product, and some failed, some worked,
Okay.
Yes. But
and
what
I
was
also don't want to disclose my main product.
Yeah, yeah. Apart from the
Yeah.
main product, Rivas, uh,
failed product?
yeah,
Failed.
the failed product, if you can share those, it would be great, yeah.
So there are a lot of failed product. For example, I built automation on like Anytime. Like if
Hmm.
you know, like there is like, do you know the Twilio application of Twilio? We provide like VoIP, and most of like customers from like big tech are using those VoIPs for like calling or and so on. I use those thing and AI and automate through Anytime and sales those people like calling agents and so on.
Okay,
Those
using
kind of
VAPI,
sorry?
using VAPI, that calling
Yeah.
agent. Okay, so you build the
No, no.
automation
Yeah, calling agent.
calling
It
agent.
failed because the market was already saturated.
Okay,
Because a lot of agencies were working on those kind of product,
yeah.
and they were selling up abounding the people, right? They were calling the people like, and they were reaching out those people, and they were selling with convenience, but I was not going through those kind of model of marketing. I was just marketing through online, and
Hmm.
so it failed because of the conviction.
Right, and Anytime is also not scalable, yeah. It's very slow,
Yes.
right?
And like I started building those kind of like call bot, I mean to say, like the
Okay.
all AI call bots and a lot of app I tried, and most of the app like I stopped in middle and like dumped the ideas. A lot of thing happened, right? And I think this is my own experience from like failures,
Yeah, and
and eventually
also you share this Pricify, right? Is it
yeah.
currently in pipeline or it is also discarded?
No, it's on pipeline. So what
Okay.
I'm going to make it like it's like what I want going to make this product is like
Hmm.
so it will be an autonomous AI extension which will be finding the same product all over the internet for a cheap price, as well as it will be giving the promo coupon code for the users, right?
Hmm.
It's a micro SaaS category of product. Okay,
Yeah, the
so I
UI
don't
and
expect.
everything is really great, yaar. Matlab on that I
Yeah,
checked, na?
I'm working on it.
Okay.
I'm working on it, and it's my just like side product, and I don't like also truly like care for it much more than like my main product.
Hmm.
But like on this product, like I will be like playing with the scale of like coupon
Hmm.
and like finding. So you understand what I mean to say? I'll
Yes,
be
yes.
giving the promo coupon to the users, and like I will be finding the product in cheaper price.
Right,
Eventually, if you could save some money, then why wouldn't you like pay
right,
$15 per month, right?
right,
So
right.
it's market validated and it's very simple product.
Yeah. Okay. So there is this one calling agent you build and one this Pricify. Any other product,
Yeah,
Rivas, you want to share?
How did you build that? How did you build it?
The Pricify, Rivas, what tech stack you used?
And have you hand coded it or vibe coded?
Always
it's not
that
vibe coding, mix of
yeah,
everything. It's a
it
mix of everything.
Okay.
yeah. That is
Yeah,
kind of extension, right? Always, Rivas.
yeah.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
product is extension, but
yeah.
there is two part of product, right? One being a portal, one being an extension, and it's working on ecosystem.
Right.
So if you want to use the product, then you have to get an extension and like get a credit through the portal and like connect the pro portal and extension. So that's how the revenue model is working, and people can't bypass it.
Okay. Yeah. The security is also concerned, na? In the product. You have to be create a product such that it is very secure for the user to do it, to use it.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, we also have to keep that in mind while building the product. The security wise, it should have the proper security. Okay. Okay. Any other product, Rivas, you want to share? Or
I don't have anything in my mind. I was just
okay,
coming on there, right?
okay,
And
yeah.
I'm also not like a very like uh
And I
into.
have a suggestion for you, Rivas bhai, that you can apply for that starter story. You know that YouTube channel?
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
Yes,
starters. So yeah, I know.
you can apply for that. That will be a great marketing for you.
Yeah, I
Yes,
know those things, right? And they are also like they are doing very good. So like they are like giving a portal for like people who are like starting out, and whenever you go through those interviews, like your product get organically marketed, right?
yes.
Yes,
So
and your personal brand will be created.
yeah.
Okay, yes,
So like
yes.
so what kind of like payment system are you going to use on your like software?
On Cursor for product manager.
I mean to say like a payment gateway. So do you need like
Yes.
LLCs or like anything kind of those thing in India's to get like a payment, or like you have like accessibility on it?
Okay. So we were
I don't
thinking
know what
about this what was that? Yeah, Dodo. Some was saying
Dodo.
Dodo. So we were thinking about that for international
Yes,
payment.
it handles everything that all GST and all. It is just means it will charge and all, but it will handle
So like
everything. It will charge 2%.
it is like available in India or not?
Yes, it is instant approval available in
Okay,
India.
that's nice. But in my context in Nepal, like I had to do a LLC,
Okay.
and like I had to get a Stripe for my main account.
Stripe.
Stripe is not like approved very fast. Dodo is approved very fast.
Okay, my Stripe, I had a like US based registered company LLC. I did a LLC and I started banking of like US. I opened a banking account from US and also
Okay.
got a Stripe, a business Stripe.
Hmm.
Dodo is worldwide available. It supports local currency payment as well, and it is like instant approval kind of thing. And it's YC backed by YC as well.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. I think yeah, man. Uh, yeah, I got some clarity. मतलब यार. Uh,
So sorry, like I could not like explain properly. If it
hmm.
was on my own native language, then I would be able to
No, no, yeah.
explain
I think we
properly. Right?
got most of the thing. So
Yeah.
yeah, it is. And you
My
have
main
deployed every project on AWS, Rivaz, right? Or
no, no, no,
okay,
no. So what I do is like front end on Vercel and back end on Render, and like Superbase for like uh, database, or like sometime if the project is going to be very big, then AWS would be the place.
okay. Supabase for backend tables
No,
and
no, Superbase for like database.
database, right? Huh.
Yeah, and Vercel on like front end
Versal on
and
front end.
back end on Render,
Okay,
because it is going to be much more scalable on those things.
okay, yaar. Cool. Thank you, yaar. Thank you, Rivaz.
So yeah, basically
And
I
what do
couldn't.
you think? Should we start building that product manager cursor for product manager?
It totally depends on you. If you can build the product, then it's on you. I'm no one
Yes,
to
I
like
think
judge
we
you
can
like
build.
I'm no one to like judge your like capability, right? I
Yeah.
don't know if you are like able to build something or not, and
Hmm.
you might not know what's like my what kind of like ideas or like skill set I do have, right? I don't know what's I don't know you personally, right? So I don't know
Yeah.
what you are capable or not. That's the thing, and we cannot like determine anyone through just by like talking or something. Either that person is very skillful or not. So I don't have like any like recommendation to you. If you
Yeah.
do and if it works, then it works. If it didn't work, then it's a lesson for you.
Yeah.
That's the simple thing I could say.
Yeah. Always, bhai, what I think, yaar, why can't we start with a simple product? Matlab, I also have the similar thing, yaar. We should start with a simple product, and we should build the product as soon as possible, and then we should just start the marketing,
ये
organic
भी तो
outreach,
सिंपल
and
ही है ना। ये प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर का ऐप जो है वो भी सिंपल ही है, 2 दिन में बन जाएगा पूरा।
okay, ठीक है यार. If you think, then we can start, यार. मतलब, but
एमवीपी तो बन जाएगा 2 दिन में।
So
because
I
uh,
just
because
I just see that.
that website that I have built na for that
हाँ।
jewelry thing, so it took me more than 30 days to build that, yeah. So
So what
लैंडिंग पेज,
what I
बस
think
no, no,
is
no,
right.
not the landing page, everything, like Supabase backend, deployment, dashboard, and
लैंडिंग बहुत
everything.
सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल
So
है उसे।
what
Hmm.
I think is right.
Hmm.
Mm, so what I mean to say is like I don't think that product is very easy to build, right? And
Hmm.
it's
Hmm.
on you. Like if there is like one context, right? You might think that the product is already built, but the product is not also like completely built, right? And people try to like perfect the product each and every time. When you go through those cycle, you will understand that you haven't completed that product, and it would be taking a lot of time for you because you will see a lot of like problems on those product. And I don't think that cursor for like product like project management is such a easy product. If it was such easy product, then everyone would be building it.
Okay.
Yes, but I have a research from OpenClaw. I told it to do all the research. I can send it on
Yeah,
Discord.
you could try, and I'm no one to say you anything, but like you could try it.
Yes, I think let's try it. We'll see, and along with that, we can start with the simple project also. There is nothing wrong in that. Right, Avish? Let's start the project.
I
No
think that
issue.
only learning experience for
Yeah.
you, but like to you won't be able to like make a big thing
Hmm.
at first. I think it's only going to be learning experience,
Okay.
and slowly like you will be building your own like workflow. And so, when you start learning and so on, you will start to build your own workflow and how you start to build like programs and
And can you accept my friend request to you on Discord so we can be connected if anything is like doubtful or
I think I'm not able to like help you guys.
Hmm. No issue, no issue, Rivas. Thank you for
but
time. I think we will.
Yeah, I won't be able to help you guys. I think everyone is doing their own stuff, and it's better not to intervene anyone else. And I'm just here to like advise you if there is anything I could help for now only.
Yeah.
And my suggestion would be like start small.
Okay. Yeah.
That would be my big suggestion. And I was also similar kind of person. I always think of like skies, but like I didn't think that the legs should be on the ground. So you could understand what I mean to say.
Yes. Yes, bro.
And if you could like scale the basic product, and like once you understand how the business and like product works, then it would be much more better for you when you build a big product. You will understand the cycle of product, how the business and startup work, right?
Correct.
You'll understand how to build a product, how to manage the product, how to like scale, how to like market revenue, and how to like destructure and structure the revenue. Everything you would be understanding, and those skill set will help you build big product in future.
Right. Okay. Yeah, Rivas. Thank you for sharing the uh sharing all the things that you mentioned. Thank you for that. Yeah.
So like what product are you trying to build, products like what about like brutal agency?
Yeah, Brutal Agency was the platform that I was doing, and I think, yeah, there are a lot of things that are still missing in that platform. So we build one like 2 3 N8 and workflow, and we integrated with the front end. Uh, but the thing is, if we want to automate each and every process of marketing, then it will take a lot of effort to build everything. So that's why I was thinking, like, should I put that much effort on that, or should I pick something real pain point which can be scalable? So I was in that confusion, yeah. Should I continue that, or should I pick some other project, yeah? So still, let's see, bhai, ki what what would be the
So like
next.
have you like market validated it or not?
No, yaar, I haven't. I just want to create a digital marketing agency. So I was thinking I should build a platform on top of that. So one of my friend is running a digital marketing agency, yaar, in Gurgaon.
So, like can I
So
know that if you mind, like can I know what job is you on like finance?
I am currently into, yaar. So there are kind of reporting for different client we are doing. So if you know, so different client put trades on our platform, on the fill platform. So we do the reporting for those trades for the client. So we have built reports on Power BI and some Oracle tool we are using internally.
So I
Okay.
mean to say like
Hmm.
what kind of like problem are you addressing on your like work? What kind of problem are you addressing on it?
What kind of problem?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, it's not a kind of problem that we are solving. So there are portfolio managers who do the uh, who do the what trading on behalf of the client. So we send the report to the portfolio manager. So there
Okay.
are
So,
there
like,
are
are you
funds
like
like what are
are you
performing good or not, what are
so
the
like
nav. net asset
Yeah.
value for that
So
particular
why don't you like
fund.
start like his fund consulting or something like that?
Hedge
Why don't
fund.
you start such kind of thing? Because it's on your own niche, right? And you know how
Hmm.
the company or like corporate works, right? Why don't
Yeah.
you integrate with like AI or like something, and you
Hmm.
start consulting it completely not AI but like a consultation firm? Those kind of thing also can work, right? Why
Right.
would you like start something else when you have knowledge of something? That's my point, because the market validation for those things is already done, right?
Hmm.
What's the like market cap of those kind of product, or like I mean to say, what's the market cap of phase fund in India? More than a trillion, I guess.
Right.
Yeah,
Right. Right. Why?
at least some billions, right? At least like 500 billions or something.
Hmm.
So like you could like start like consulting firm,
Hmm.
integration with AI and consulting firm for like your man like
Hmm.
your like client, right? And it will be much more easy for you to get clients as well.
Right, right, why? But
And again,
I do not
like
have like much functional knowledge. I was just playing a small part. But yeah,
you
you are
like
saying
the
correct
thing
thing,
is,
but
right? So what I want to say is the thing is like everyone is doing a espionage. So what I mean to say is like, do you know the like Sam Altman, right?
yeah, yeah. Open AI CEO,
And
na?
there is a guy from Anthropic, you know, right?
Yes, yes.
And the Anthropic guy was working with like Sam Altman, but they had a class and they like separated. And the Claude is number one like large language model for now.
Right.
So most of the thing are like espionage, and you have to understand. So how the people work is like they go through the company structure and they understand the company eventually, how the market works, and they start their own company
Hmm.
because the market is already validated, right?
Yeah. I think
So
you are
why don't-
correct, yeah. I should pick something of my own
yeah.
industry. That is correct thing. And
So
if I am
I,
interested, I can build these small apps or kind of thing for as a
yeah.
side project.
So yeah, I might sound very lame, and like most of the people already left the like
No,
group
no, no
chat, I
issue.
guess, right?
Yeah.
I think like two people, I think Aman or someone already left.
No issue,
Uh,
man.
I, I might sound lame to them, but I think this is very like validated problem, and
Yeah,
I've
because
gone through
there was one thing is also I am also doing 9 to 5 job. Also, I
experience.
can't properly like give uh, full time to this thing, right? So if
Yeah,
I enter into B2B, it would be very difficult for me to devote that kind of time to that product, right? If
yes,
I pick
yes,
some small apps or kind of thing that I can also build side by side along with my job,
yeah,
I can handle that, right? So I
yeah,
think I should yeah, yeah, I should think about that, yeah. And there are two things. One is this small apps kind of thing, and other one is I should also pick something of my own industry, because if
yes,
I
of
build
course.
something like that, na, that I can show in my company also.
Yeah, of
It
course.
will help
That's
me
the
to
thing,
grow
and
in the organization as well, na.
that is what the tech guys don't understand. I
Hmm.
was the same guy. So
Yeah.
it's not that I haven't worked on big project or like
Yeah.
very pioneering thing. I have worked, and I have signed a NDA with a lot of like people, so I
Right.
couldn't like pull such kind of things. But this is the thing most of the guy like most of the tech guy like don't see. That's the biggest failure.
Yeah, man.
And if you could understand the thing, right? You know, if you know the finance industry, and if you could like build a AI consulting for finance, right?
Right.
And those kind of thing could leverage your like skill set.
Yeah, AI consulting for finance, right? Yeah.
Yeah, of course. And like yeah, those kind of thing would work. And even if on the YC like request, you could see there is a hedge fund manager or like something. They
Right.
are also looking for those kind of thing. AI native hedge fund on second.
Hmm.
So
Yeah,
so
man. Rivas, yes, yeah. I got some clarity, yeah. But yeah,
yeah.
I should think about it. And uh, for main thing is distribution, right? I should
Yeah, you
build the
already have your like broken channel, man. You
yeah,
already have. because like
Yes.
you are working on the you are working on the finance company, then you have a lot of like you have like
Yes.
clientele as well, right? You have
Right.
like way or like exposure, the place
Hmm.
to expose your project. You have the ways, right?
Right. Right. Right.
There's already a route, right?
Yeah.
So that's how you build on top of it. And the
Yeah.
most of the like big business are always boring, if you
Yeah.
could understand that.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
And you have to understand the like mindset of a lot of people. And if you can go through like Nikhil Kamath, for you
Yes.
guys from India,
Yeah.
he has
I,
such kind of mindset, right?
yeah. It's SMD. He want to ask something, so you can ask, bhai.
Are you guys from tech industry?
Sorry.
I
Yes. Yes.
mean, you guys are from IT.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, most
आप
of
तो
them.
फाइनेंस बोल रहे थे.
Yeah. In finance,
You
but
said
I am into tech. Tech in
You
you
are not.
finance.
said you said you are from Power BI, right? You do Power BI reports. That's what you do.
Yeah, and there are not Power BI itself, but yeah, there are other things also. Yeah, there are some
So
internal tools which we are
SMD, you are
using.
not able to understand what we are trying to talk. And the thing is, the Predix is working on the finance organization, and he's thinking that either he should build something AI related tech on finance niche software or not.
Yeah, yeah. You one of you guys mentioned that start a story, I guess. Is the one of
Yeah,
the
Yes.
best way of
ours.
distribution.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ours
I
was.
here see you see I have watched a lot of videos of starter story, something like that. Most of the videos here, the tech owner, whatever the founder come from, he's from either from X or he do have a YouTube channel. Basically these guys master the game of distribution. They do
Yes,
have
yeah, of
faceless
course, right.
channels.
Yeah, those projects are very like niche driven, and like they
Like suppose
track the.
suppose let me give me example like uh, I have seen one of the product of a bank PDF to Excel converter.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
I love PDF, right? I know that one.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
In that, this guy, suppose you open a YouTube channel. You open a YouTube channel and you keep uploading about Excel. How do we have to do this,
That's a
that,
simple part.
something like that. Then after this guy, boom, like upload, promote his product every single video. Like it's kind of a organic marketing. If someone out there comes on his video searching for XYZ topic, then this guy comes into the like product. He got to know about your product, something like that. You have to do distribution game like that.
Yeah,
Like
and the most of the like.
he genuinely gonna love that product because
Yeah,
he want to know that like yeah man, I do need to convert PDFs. Generally in banking I guess there are a lot of PDFs out there which are clients PDF, which are basically transaction of clients in PDF format. They want the CA or the accountant analyst guys want to convert all that PDF into Excels. So there is a hell lot of problem. So if you make a parser, like parser, that's what it is. And when the parser can convert PDF into Excel, then okay, there will be a lot of potential in that kind of stuff. I'm just
Mm-hmm.
giving an example. I'm not
yeah.
describing the product.
So like
Okay.
I'm having conviction that like SMD has good understanding of marketing. Okay, yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
understand what you are trying to say. So you are you mentioned like starter story, right? And
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah. I do. I
most of
love that.
yeah, most of the product that startup story has like introduced, right? They are very niche driven and very basic product, but
Yeah.
those guys like cracked out the like marketing, right? And
They
like
are making like, buddy, they are making like 40K MRR.
yeah, of course,
I'm
right.
like, I'm like, okay, man, this is something like unbelievable.
Yeah, of course, like they are like choosing very small product, very small like problem, and they are being able to scale those problem solutions to the people they are who need it, right? And they are able to like get generate monthly MRR like approx like 50K or something like that.
Yeah, I'm a fan of these channels. You see, first
Starter
million dollar
story.
podcast,
Yeah, of
starter
course.
story,
Okay.
20
And
VC. I do watch all these channels like
yeah, and
Pragmatic Engineer. These guys all about this
If you
marketing,
watch,
all about this software, all about that. Like even I
hello,
am a tech guy. I do understand the back end things,
Okay.
front end things, and also database things. I do
if
have
you
a
watch,
knowledge all about that.
if you watch Starter Story, then also prefer to watch Lenny's podcast. He takes podcast of big founders like Lovable founder and Anthropic's head of growth. He took right now today
Lenis,
podcast. Lenny's podcast.
can you please spell it out?
Lenny uh,
L-E
apostrophe S
N-Y. Huh,
podcast.
got you. Oh,
Okay. Okay. On the
I,
starter story, yaar, this this small kind of product they are doing kind of thing
Macro
like simple
macro
yeah, of
yes,
micro
course.
SaaS. Okay.
Yeah, this is what I'm talking, right?
Right. Right.
I'm
yeah,
building a yeah,
doing micro SaaS.
yeah.
Okay.
I'm literally saying from the
In
first of this
in
Google
fact,
Meet.
suppose if I want to build a product,
Right.
in fact, I'm gonna target small kind of people, like the people who has who have money.
Hmm.
The second thing is these guys should have to be like dedicated and they don't
It's
have
like
like a lot of time to go into do bunch of hustle thing. Like suppose I want to sell something like a calorie counter, exercise, AIX, gym, something like that. Then I simply go on YouTube, open a YouTube channel, uh,
Hmm.
keep on pushing the content related gym exercises, how you can calorie. Then after boom, here is my
Okay.
product, something like that, like small
Hmm.
things.
yeah. I'm
Okay.
trying to say all of these guys like start small. This is the reason.
Okay.
So like SMD like explain it much more better than me,
Yeah.
and I
SMD,
think like
where did you work? Are you working or yeah?
No, actually, you see, I'm not working. I'm unemployed right now.
Okay. No issue, yaar.
I'm
Where are you from? Are you
I'm from Andhra. I'm from
Andhra?
Andhra.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. Yeah. Great. Yeah.
Yeah, my day starts with like this guy start a story, then after a hell lot of coding, then
Okay.
after going through like designing, I mean designing in the sense of system designing, a lot of this stuff. I do just hustle. I'm doing just hustle right now
Okay.
and applying the
yeah,
jobs.
I see
I'm
the
not
conviction on
I didn't
SMD.
yeah,
Yeah, I
what?
see the same. I see the conviction on you, and it's very good. Yeah, you should have those conviction. And I was trying to tell the products that it's about like conviction, right?
Hmm.
See,
Whenever the
see,
VC,
it's not about something like I'm going to make it. It's not happen. Going to give up. It's not something like that. You have to keep on understanding things every single
yeah,
day.
of course, right. There is a two part, right? One being a keeping understanding of things and creating your skill sets much more better, right? And another thing is the conviction. What if like you lose the consistency?
What? What?
What if you lose the consistency?
Con-
Consistency.
Yeah,
Yeah, you if you lose consistency, you are going nowhere.
yeah, of course, right. And it's
You
a
are
part
going
of
nowhere.
conviction, and it's a parts of conviction.
Yeah. Even I can give a hell lot of examples, something like that. I just discussed. I even in the starter story, I have seen one guy who is like making 1 million MR, I guess, using designing agency. He is just designing and uploading all the whatever he is working on Twitter. He's like keep on constantly uploading things. He even got
Like, what's the like revenue like model of it? Like a market place or
yeah,
something?
it's kind of service based, right?
Yeah, and
Here
there's a
you are
marketplace of it.
designing the apps, designing websites, apps, everything for clients.
Yeah, are you talking about like dribble or something?
What?
Dribble.
Dribble? I don't know what can you
Yeah,
please
Dribble is
explain me what
a
is dribble?
the Dribble is this website now where you can find the front end design.
Okay, I'm not talking about dribble. These guys are on X,
Okay.
and these guys are making insane amount of money. Like they have these agencies,
Okay.
Even I got let me
I
mm,
will also see
give
यार
it
मतलब.
like
Yeah,
like
also like speaking on trust MRR, there are a lot of
yeah,
like
in $1 million podcast there was a guy, I actually not getting his name right now, but $1 million, there is a guy who actually started with designing agency, then after he's doing SaaS right now. He's like private equity. Do you know about private equity? Huh?
yeah, of course.
Yeah, yeah. In basically, this guy is going hunting every single killer SaaS out there, and he's like purchasing it. Like
Yeah,
he's just
buying
trying to
it.
make money out of it. Like
Yeah,
this guy in $1 million podcast. I don't know his name right now. I'm not getting it. Um, I don't know. But he's one of the famous guy. Like in one
like
million
also
dollar podcast.
like A16J would also do that. Do
What?
you know about
He's
like
16 jet.
yeah,
Yeah, I do know. AI.
of course
That's
they
one
would
of
do
the
that.
most popular channel for that.
Yeah, they would do that.
But it's not about micro SaaS. It's all about big tech
Yeah,
startups.
of course, right. And Y Combinator would also do that.
Yeah, yeah. But those are the things you need a lot of engineers, lot of things. You have to understand every single thing, like from the main core of the product to how to distribute the product and also how to scale the product, like so that your product is like don't die when there are a lot of people out there. Like I'm talking
Yes.
about scalability.
Right.
When
Yes.
you go
And like
when you
you know
go
the Peter Thiel.
Peter
yeah.
Yeah, of
Peter
course, right.
Thiels.
Like 0 to 1 is very good.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, yes,
Peter
yaar.
Thiel is the man behind
Yeah,
everything. You
everything like
see,
PayPal
Peter
Mafia.
Thiel is the man behind everything
Yeah,
from
Yeah,
PayPal Mafia
Palantir,
na.
from
He
PayPal.
funded this
yeah, of
PayPal
Yeah,
course.
Mafia
yeah.
na.
Yeah.
This guy is literally killing in every single industry. Even many people out there said that
Mm-hmm.
he is behind the Trump. He is behind the government.
Yeah, of course, right. The tech oligarchs are behind everything right now.
Right.
He is the man who actually gives precise targets to Israel. That's what the
Yeah,
talk is.
the Palantir company is also his, right, and he founded and make Alex Corps, the
He
CEO of it.
he
Right?
he is kind of a man behind bunch of things.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I got to. Yeah, I said
And like
you.
there's a company known as like Andruler. They are making a weapon from AI, autonomous weapon, right? Do you know
Yeah,
about it?
we
Yeah,
we actually started from talking micro SaaS. Now we are like talking about something that is very big companies,
yeah,
man.
yeah, yeah. And it works like if the person is like having initiating conversation and it levels up, eventually everything levels up, right? And we are having such
Yeah,
kind of conversation right now.
yeah.
And
Do you know
but
about Andrew Wilkinson? I just I just told you about this guy. Like he do have a design agency. Then after he converted into private equity firm.
yeah, yeah,
He is Andrew Wilkinson. This guy is like genius. Like he started Dribble. He owns Dribble. He owns a lot of things. He's the founder of Dribble. Dribble, I guess. This
yeah,
guy is Canada based, but this guy owns like private equity of SaaS market.
yeah. And like if you know like Brian Johnson, right? Do you know Brian Johnson?
Yeah.
Brian Johnson.
Yeah,
Brian
someone, the guy
Johnson.
who sold the Braintree,
The
the
Virgin
Braintree.
airline owner.
No, 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 no,
No,
not
no,
No.
no, no, no. He's a
him.
like biohack guy.
Yeah,
He's a
biohacker. He was working on like Braintree and he sold the company for like 800 million and he's
oh,
working on like biohacking, right? And
see.
what he's trying to do is like to use a AI and like build a different kind of like model. I mean to say the different kind of health model. He's working it on back behind, okay? He's trying to build a different kind of health model and like his campaign is to like do not die, right? And he is training that model behind and he will be like using that model as like consulting or like such kind of a project later on next year, I guess, and he would be like mass selling those product. You understand what I mean to say?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, he's
Gotcha,
like
man.
working on himself, right? And he's like doing all of the like
First,
health
the thing is, products need to start with whatever the name is. If I
Yes,
take
yes.
you, I take the wrong name. I'm really sorry about that.
No, no
But
issue.
products, I think that you have to start from like uh, small SaaS idea,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
small micro SaaS idea. Make the MVP. Don't run behind like designing lot of stuff, a lot of other stuff which is unrelated to the
Mm-hmm.
market. You just go out there. We can figure out how to distribute. You have to distribute. You
Yeah,
have to do
yeah,
UGC. I guess you do know about
yeah,
UGC.
yeah. Add,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. If you don't have budget for UGC, first start with YouTube. Like, if your product is solving some XYZ problem, you have to make content around around that stuff, like around that.
Yes,
If,
yes, yes.
like, for example, if my product is solving problem around like Excel, then I should have to make content around the Excel, how to make data entries,
yeah. You could
dashboards,
also do like
XYZ stuff.
affiliate marketing, right? Like
Yeah,
affiliated marketing, and like give a split of like
yeah,
revenue
kind
to
of affiliated. But
yeah,
the thing is, like, you have to be like make content around that. Like,
yeah, of
then
course,
you
like
probably going to get like some XYZ people on your product. They're probably gonna see it, use it, and they're gonna definitely you need a feedback from the users,
yeah,
and try to use that feedback loop.
yeah.
Like
You could
Yes.
like
Elon keep on
test,
saying that.
you could like beta test on like Substack,
Mm-hmm.
and like Reddit also is good. Like
Yeah,
there's like very hard like niche driven communities, and you can try with them and like do a beta testing, and like eventually like before you launch the product, right?
Okay.
Eventually like do a refinement of product,
Mm-hmm.
then launch. That would be
Okay.
yeah.
much more better ideas, right? And you will also understand the
Ju-
market for like
don't don't
well,
run behind making dashboards,
Yes,
all
yes.
that stuff.
yeah, of
You
course, yeah,
have
yeah,
to, yeah,
yeah.
you
That's the
have to
thing.
solve the core problem. That's the
Yeah,
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah,
yeah.
with
This is the
one
thing.
click it should solve a problem.
Yeah, this is the
Yeah.
thing that I'm trying to like convince
Right.
everyone over this chat for like more than
If
one
you
hour. I
really
think.
want to make, if you really want to make 1000 CR
Yes.
product,
Yes, bhai.
then your revenue should have to be nearly about like $10,000. Like 100 million divided by 5, it's probably
Yes.
nearly about 20 million
Eventually, like if
ARR
you are not
at
able to go
least.
to like enterprise level, then you won't be able to make those kind of scaling
Right.
startup, right? And when you go through like B2B and enterprise level, then only you will be able to like make such kind of money. That's the
Right.
Yeah,
thing. And but like first you have to start with like a B2C, a very small
Yes.
product, and like
Mm-hmm.
add functionalities and like increase the bandwidth of the product, right? And
Mm-hmm.
slowly increase those product because
try,
Okay.
all
try
this process the market will be validated as well.
hey, you see, if you want to make a big, damn good products, you should have to have the network. Like, network is the most important thing. If you don't have a network, go
Yeah,
for micro SaaS, go for don't waste time on building XYZ things
Yeah.
on your product. You have to make MVP,
Right.
and simple. You have to master the distribution. That's the thing. That's
Correct.
the
Yeah.
thing. And the people should have to be
yeah,
come to you and organically know about you. I guess you don't need to put your face on the distribution channels, because like most of the things have like they show their opinions, like this guy, that guy. Like, I'm not saying you,
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying in general. Like,
Right.
they
yeah. So
most people
actually,
have.
so like how many product have you worked before? Like I think like I have seen the conviction on you, right? And you understand the how the market or the business works. So I was interested that how many product that you have worked before and how you understand this knowledge. So like you could understand, you could like give those kind of like sets of understanding to people over here.
Are you asking to products?
Sorry,
Not to use SMD. Did you
you
launched any
you.
No, no,
project?
no. I didn't build any kind of products right now. But
Okay.
the thing is, I do. I did. I did actually made like some kind of software stuffs, like software stuff. Like I did make like chess thing where it's actually simulates chess.com, where you have a lot of things in it, like even server dies. I just get the data from it, like a lot of things, like reboot system in the server, a lot of things I did implemented in my product. But the thing is, it's a simple game product, and I have done another product. It's kind of AI based, and I actually, you see, I was trying all this to learn. Like I
Okay.
don't want to make money right now because money making is not gonna work in overnight. I was keep on learning. Like it's
Okay.
all about solving the problem. When I see the problem, I try to solve it. Like
Yeah. First, the thing
yeah,
is to validate the
you
problem,
have
right?
to understand
Yeah.
things. First thing is you have to understand. Like according to me, if you blindly going into something, you
Yeah.
probably going nowhere.
Yeah. And everyone is doing that thing. And that's what I'm trying to explain everyone right now.
Mm.
Yes, bhai. Yes, Riwaz. Yeah. Thank you, yaar. I think I got it, yaar. I got it. What I need to do
Like
next,
you
yaar.
have to master distribution,
That's
buddy.
that's good
You
now.
have to master distribution. Even you build like $1 billion
Yeah.
product, even $10 billion product, you don't know how to
Yeah.
distribute it. You
I
don't
think
know
for
how
the
to.
products,
Yes, yes, yaar.
you can go ahead. You can talk. SMD, you can talk.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
man. I got it, man.
Even
Yeah, now
yeah,
I got it. What I need to do. Yeah, main thing is that
you
first
have
we have to just,
distribution.
yeah, we
Even
have to
even
crack the distribution. We have to just create a product, small product, micro SaaS would be, and just do the marketing, like
Yeah.
organic
yeah.
stuff that we
And
are, that I am currently doing. I have to just,
Even you haven't built your product at, you
hmm,
start the distribution game first.
yes,
Distribution game is more important than the product.
exposure is
You
big.
don't need product, you need distribution.
Yeah, of
right,
course.
man.
And like I think for the products, right? I told you already that you are already on finance, right? Why don't
Hmm.
you start a finance consulting software or like such kind of web application where there is a manual work as well as like AI driven things, right?
Like man, you just takes the circles out there. Like I do work in finance, I understand something like this. You just try to intersect and make the product in that sector.
Yeah, I was trying to say products that thing. Yeah, but my conviction of
Intersection is
word is
really matter.
yeah,
When
my
you have
conviction of
sets,
word is
you
not.
have.
I was, yeah, you could go.
Yeah, I was saying that you have the knowledge in Power BI, you have the knowledge in finance industry, you have the little bit knowledge about tech industry. So
Yeah.
you also need a set of knowledge about YouTube, how YouTube works, how you need to bring views, a lot of
Hmm.
things. Like actually, before I was doing all this stuff, I was like working as a YouTube manager. Even I did have the automation channels.
Okay.
I really love YouTube. You see, actually, when I was like literally 15 years old, I was like highly inspired by these YouTube channels. Technical Guruji, I just want to be this like this guy. Like I was like, I did learn about editing. I was posting a lot of things. I
Okay.
even made, as a manager, I even made my client nearly about 100K for like for that guy. I nearly make 100K for that guy. Like he's the owner of channel. I was working on it.
Okay.
Yeah,
And what was you promoting on the channel?
the channel is all about manga. You see, you when you master one skill like YouTube skill, you can connect the dot of other things. Like
Right.
it was the manga skill, it was the manga, and I
Okay.
was the guy who is behind the channel. He was the guy just spending money.
Okay.
I
So you
was
were
the managing all stuff.
okay, you were managing the channel every,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
who was making the content on that channel? That other guy.
Yeah, no, actually, it was me making the content. Like it
Okay,
was
you are the
me
only one.
playing. Yeah,
Okay.
see, he was paying me. He was
Okay.
paying me. I was hiring the people. I was hiring the video editors. I was hiring the script writers. I was doing KT, like knowledge
Okay.
transfer to these guys, and
Hmm.
I make them understand. Like I need the script in this way. I need the editing in this way. So these guys get to understand like how to work, how actually videos gonna be, how production is going to be, videos production is going to be, and they are gonna make the videos similar to that, like
Okay, what was the
whatever I
name
have
of the
described.
channel?
The channel name was the channel name was Mangas Recap.
Mangas
Yeah, Mangas Recap.
recap. Okay, manwa recap.
There are a lot of
And like
yeah
it
yeah
has a lot of cult following, right? And the animes and
yeah
Okay,
yeah
mangas, big cult following.
yeah recap
Like
yeah.
sell the souvenirs or something on it,
Yeah,
and like
you don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. I
yeah,
guess
of course, like
you see, you just take the knowledge, you just apply it to another things. Like there are a hell lot of things. Do you know about TNB? TNB thing?
TMB.
TNB.
I
Yeah,
don't know.
is this the channel? Anime channel? Manga. Can you spell
yeah,
it?
yeah. Manga recaps. Yes, capital for S. Yes.
Mangas recaps.
Manwa recaps.
Manhwa recaps.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
this one. Okay,
Yeah, I did work this one also. I did work for another channel. One of the channel got terminated. Uh,
okay. So
yeah.
this is a
Uh,
anime
just
channel
go into
kind
the
of thing.
dashboard. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. It's kind of anime channel.
Okay.
Just go into the dashboard. More links.
Yeah,
More
anime has
links.
big
Yeah,
cult
more
following.
links. They
Okay.
on the
Okay. Okay.
dashboard. You yeah. Scroll down a bit. You probably going to see that like 18 million views. Like he
Hmm.
probably printed nearly about
So like what was
um,
the model of like revenue? Only the like views and
yeah,
like
there are a lot of things like
advertisement being one
there
and
is
one.
donation, there is
Yeah,
donation.
I see the coffee. Yeah,
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 the second revenue, the first revenue is definitely ads by
yeah, yeah.
YouTube. I do get about like $7-8, like even more sometimes, like $7-8 per 1,000 views. Like
So it's
see,
very
yeah, you just go down a bit.
It
You
is
probably
US based.
see
I
like
think mostly
yeah,
the audience is
yeah.
US one, na?
like you did a
You can
LLC.
edit that.
I did
You can
LLC.
tamper with that. You can in your account, like you just go and like edit. You are from US. That's it. Like you don't need to like
Hmm.
it's not a big stuff.
Yeah,
Okay.
You
and there was
probably
any
see
kind of
that
like
like total views are like 18 million, and 18 million into divided by 1,000 into 5. That's what he made from that channel.
so like there was any kind of like digital product that was sold or not?
Yeah, actually, yeah. Here the thing is, you can even sell like anime T-shirts. You can even sell
I
like
mean,
a
I mean
lot
to
of
say like,
things.
did you sell or not from this?
No, I didn't. I didn't. I didn't. I was just the manager.
Okay. And who was this guy who hired you, SMD? He
Uh,
was some
one
entrepreneur
of
or
the
kind
guy,
of.
one of the yeah, one of the guy from like India, and this
Okay.
guy, he actually is from I guess Philippines. I guess.
Oh. So
Yeah, many people are
how you get
Nigeria.
in touch with this guy, SMD?
Well, I just do cold emails. Like when I was editor, like I wasn't making
Okay. So
money.
you are doing the editing for these
Yeah.
videos. Okay.
First, I did editing. First,
Okay.
for 2-3 videos, I did editing. Then
Okay.
after, I just like, okay, I just I mean, how to describe it, man?
Hmm.
Like I just get into this conversation and talking to you
Hmm.
just a networking, man. Like I just get into touch with this guy. I just keep on explaining this guy.
Hmm.
That's the best script. I think this is not bad script. This is the best. I was just
Okay.
like making reviews of the scripts, and then
Okay.
after making reviews of the editors, and this
Hmm.
guy got to know that I'm literally doing best in this niche. So he just hand over me his channel. Like I was the manager of that channel. So I'm
Okay.
not doing that stuff right now at
Okay.
this moment.
I was thinking about copying this channel actually. This channel, na? This is dark psychology channel. So he was doing
You
like
you see,
making this
you
dark
see,
psychology
you
videos.
see, there are a lot of things. Like
Hmm.
if you want to talk, if you want me to
Hmm.
talk about YouTube,
Yeah.
we can talk until morning 8 p.m. Like I do
Okay.
know a lot about it. Like even you can go and search like monkey explain.
Monkey explain.
Yeah, you can see how much these guys are making.
Okay.
These
Yeah.
guys are literally shit. It is AI slop, like kind of. Not AI slop, but this is something kind of AI X
Hmm.
finance.
Okay.
These guys are making like 20K per month, more than 20K per month.
And these are
Dollars.
all
I'm
AI
talking
generated
dollars.
videos, kind of thing.
Yeah, these are all AI generated images.
Oh
You
my
don't
God.
see the,
And the
you
YouTube
don't,
also is automated, right?
Most of the
what?
things will be automated these.
Yeah, you have to learn a lot about YouTube, man. Like you have to know about everything. That's what I'm saying.
Hmm.
You see, you just like introduce the finance videos.
Hmm.
I just make a finance video, something like
So
monkey
like,
in AI, and I
what
just go
what
and sell the templates.
so like
Even though I can make money, you have to build the distribution game. That's the more important thing.
He only put 63 videos and he's around 200K subscriber. Crazy, yaar. Hmm.
Even you can go and watch how money works. It's the one of the best channel in finance niche, I guess. These guys don't show their face. They do have newsletter and they make tons of money, nearly about 50K from only newsletters.
Wow.
I guess $50K per month from only newsletter. How money works is the channel name.
How money works.
Yeah. In if you make simply this kind of channels like explaining things and you just go and explain about your product, man, you definitely going to get a organic audience
Yes.
like you don't even expect. Like
Hmm.
money works, how money works. Here down you got the suggestion. Yeah,
Yeah.
you see, this guy is probably more than he's making more than 200K. Like
Right. And we can make similar channels. Kind of. But yeah, man.
you could like also check like Ax Michia. The
X
guy sold ASK
AS.
ASK ASK MI CHIA.
Yes, X media.
Yeah, and the guy sold the company for a lot of money,
Okay.
and
Sold
you
my
could
stuff.
like get a lot of like very valuable context on it. And I've
Hmm.
been following you from like a lot of time ago. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. 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 Thank you guys. Thank you for sharing. I think yeah. It's
So
a
like
great tool. Great to connect with you guys, matlab.
yeah,
Thank you
and
for
my
sharing
suggestion
everything.
for you would be like you already know the finance, then do
Yes.
something on a finance sector, right? And
Yeah,
you
yeah,
could
man.
build a startup on a finance sector, and you can like integrate AI, and you already know you already have exposure of like finance, right? And like
Yeah.
it will be much more easier for you to like get a market. Why don't you work on it rather than something else?
Hmm. Right, bhai. I will. Yeah, man. I have to think about it again. Like, what should I pick the next thing? But
So like
I will start with very small thing. That's what I
yeah,
do.
it
I
starts
will
with
share my journey over YouTube. I will build everything on live, and yeah, I will try to distribute it organically. And
so I think you should not build it on live, like
okay,
rather like you can work on marketing live,
okay.
but don't build in live. I would suggest that. Why don't you
Hmm.
like create a like a contributors, a team of contributors, right? And like
Hmm.
work privately, and only like expose the product, and like keep promoting your product on different kind of context videos.
Okay.
Like you could like for example, like you could keep updating about the new thing on like internet or like AI on your this channel, right?
Yeah. Right.
And
The same
build
thing
a
I do.
yeah, yeah, build users and like build a subscriber list and
हम्म
slowly introduce your product to the market through organically. I think that would work much more better. Like, why would you build the product on live?
हम्म
Yeah, I think that's the thing, right? You could
yeah.
like like for example, you could make a like YouTube newsletter for like AI or like what's working on the internet, such kind of thing, and slowly get a good traction of users. For example, there is a Varun Maya, right?
Yeah,
The
yeah.
YouTube.
Rivaz, there
Yeah,
was one comment on my stream. So the guy
yeah.
is asking what's the color of his Bugatti. There was some guy who was asking what's the color of
रिवाज
Rivaz Bugatti.
भाई ये क्या चल रहा है यार इतनी देर से?
Yeah,
ना मैं तुम
man.
एक बात बताओ, या तुम पॉडकास्ट कर लो या तुम प्रोजेक्ट बना लो या तुम ना बातें कर लो।
हाँ यार, भाई थैंक यू यार, थैंक यू। मतलब अब स्टार्ट करते हैं भाई, है ना? ओके। मैं यार
अब
मैं
बहुत देर से देख रहा हूँ भाई, चले ही जा रहे, चले ही जा रहे, पता नहीं क्या ऐसी कौन सी रामायण गा रहे हो तुम।
भाई यार समझना
यार
तो
मार्केट
पड़ेगा ना
करना
यार,
है यार,
डिफरेंट
एक बात
डिफरेंट
क्लियर हो गई,
पर्सपेक्टिव
मार्केट
यार।
करना है, आगे बढ़ो।
यस
बात
यस
खत्म
भाई।
हो गई।
ठीक है भाई, ठीक है। ओके यार, ठीक है यार। आई थिंक वी कैन नाउ कंटिन्यू। आई थिंक रिवाज, इफ यू वांट टू ड्रॉप, यू कैन ड्रॉप यार। ओके। ओके भाई, ठीक है यार। आ, प्लानिंग कर लेते हैं भाई। आवेश भाई हो क्या अभी?
हाँ हो ना।
ठीक है भाई, मैं एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाता हूँ अभी भाई, ठीक है? मेरी स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ। ओके, एक मिनट, स्टॉप शेयरिंग, लेट मी शेयर इट अगेन। एक मिनट भाई, इंटायर स्क्रीन। ओके, ठीक है भाई। तो नया सेक्शन है हमारा, कर्सर फॉर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर।
प्रदीप भाई क्या रहेगा इसमें प्रोजेक्ट में?
इसमें तो भाई बहुत कुछ रहने वाला
क्या
क्या है
है ये?
बेसिकली?
कौन सॉफ्टवेयर है?
है।
ये क्या है मतलब अभी क्या ओपन किया तुमने?
ये तो वन नोट है यार।
अच्छा नोट्स है।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, मैं तो बस स्टार्ट करने के लिए, ठीक है ना? ठीक है यार। अभी है ना, सबसे पहले फिर हमें इसके लिए फ्रंट एंड बना लेते हैं ना। अभी इसको क्लोड कोड से वो करवाएं क्या, सारा कुछ? या मतलब व्हाट्स द टेक?
प्रदीप भाई
हम
थोड़ा बताओगे इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में?
एक मिनट भाई, मैं बताता हूँ। एक मिनट। मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है ना सब भाई को?
हाँ हाँ दिख रही है।
ठीक है यार। तो भाई, ये एक है ना, वाईसी ने एक लिस्ट डाली है यार, है ना? वाईसी कॉम्बिनेटर पे, है
अच्छा।
ना, कि भाई जो जो
हम्म।
प्रॉब्लम आप पिक कर सकते हो और जिनको ये फंडिंग
ओके।
करेंगे, ठीक है ना? तो
अच्छा।
उसमें ये था कि द आइडिया इज कर्सर फॉर प्रोडक्ट प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स। ठीक है,
अच्छा।
अभी तक जो हम टूल्स वगैरह यूज कर रहे हो आप भी, है ना, वो कस्टम
हम्म।
टूल यूज कर रहे हो। जैसे आपको एक प्रोजेक्ट पे कुछ काम कर रहे हो, कोई एक फ्रंट एंड यूटिलिटी के लिए आपको कोड चाहिए, तो वो बनवा लिया, है ना? एंड टू एंड अभी तक हम
हम्म।
कर नहीं रहे, प्लानिंग से लेके रिक्वायरमेंट गैदरिंग से लेके एवरीथिंग, है ना?
हम्म।
जैसे जीरा जीरा अगर सुना हो, तो जीरा डैशबोर्ड बनता है ना कोई भी, उसमें जीरा के
हाँ
थ्रू
हाँ
चेंजेस जाते हैं, रिक्वायरमेंट जाती हैं, राइट?
हाँ।
तो उसी को एक हम प्रोडक्टाइज करने के लिए जैसे कर्सर फॉर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर बना रहे हैं। तो इसका मतलब ओवरव्यू
अच्छा।
ये है कि भाई, मतलब काइंड ऑफ पूरा एंड टू एंड प्रोजेक्ट ये हैंडल कर पाए, एज ए प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर काम करेगा जो हमारा टूल है।
मतलब ये BRD FRD और सब मतलब पूरा प्रोजेक्ट एंड टू एंड रेडी करेगा मतलब?
हाँ,
कोड तो कोड करेगा, बाकी पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी रेडी करेगा उसके?
राइट।
ओके।
ठीक है। ओके, तो एक बार है ना, ये
हम्म।
वाली समरी उठाता हूँ पहले मैं, और अपना
क्या कर रहे हैं?
नया प्रोजेक्ट बना लेते हैं इसमें। क्या बोल रहे हो भाई?
प्रदीप,
यस यस भाई, चिराग भाई।
तो कर्सर जो पहले से प्रेजेंट है वो भी तो पूरा एंड टू एंड हैंडल कर सकता है, इसकी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट आ गई वाईसी को?
मतलब क्या है पता है क्या, अगला फीचर क्या बनाना है और क्यों बनाना है, जो अभी बोल रहे थे वैलिडेशन जरूरी है, तो वहां पर ना तुम अपना रॉ जो है कस्टमर डेटा या फिर कुछ है वो अपलोड करो और डायरेक्टली मिल जाएगा सर।
ओके, तो कर्सर में भी तो ऐसा होता है ना, फीचर है ना?
नहीं
कहने का मतलब ये है कि उसको पूरा डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा ना कर्सर को, कि आप बना क्या रहे हो, फिर वो बार बार चेंजेस करने पड़ते हैं कोड में
एक और
उसमें।
चैलेंज इसमें ये
कर्सर के
बोल
पास,
रहा था कि वो अगर कर्सर ये नेक्स्ट फीचर में ले आता है सेम चीज,
हाँ
अच्छा।
तो फिर उस केस में
नहीं ले पर आ सकता, नहीं आ सकता लेकर, क्यों पता है, क्योंकि ना
क्यों?
कर्सर के मॉडल का कॉन्टेक्स्ट ना कोड कोड पढ़ने में ही चला जाता है, ये कब करेगा वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट विंडो। कर्सर के जो एलएलएम्स वर्क कर रहे हैं 1 मिलियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट का ज्यादा से ज्यादा हो सकता है, तो कोड बेस्ड का कॉन्टेक्स्ट समझने में ही पूरा खत्म हो जाता है मॉडल का कॉन्टेक्स्ट विंडो। तो इतना सारा कस्टमर का रॉ डाटा कैसे हैंडलिंग हो सकता है ना।
हाँ ये भी प्रॉब्लम है,
क्या
लेकिन
दोबारा बताना यार एक बार, क्या प्रॉब्लम है उसमें?
मतलब अभी अगर तुम कोडिंग कर रहे हो ना कर्सर से वाइब
हाँ
कोडिंग, तो
हाँ हाँ।
कोड को समझने में कर्सर का ज्यादा कॉन्टेक्स्ट चला जाता है कर्सर के मॉडल्स का। इसमें कब
अरे
तक
यार, वो
कॉन्टेक्स्ट
जैसे
इंजेक्ट
एंटी
करेगा वो।
ग्रेविटी है ना,
टोकन टोकन
वो
टोकन
तो
बोलना
एनालाइज
चाहता हूँ।
करता है, वही सेम चीज कर्सर
हम्म,
करता है, कर्सर के टोकन उसमें चले जाते हैं
हाँ।
ज्यादा, ये दिक्कत है।
हाँ, तो इसके लिए तो डेटा सेट भी ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा पूरा उस हिसाब से।
डेटा सेट हमें नहीं ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा, लोग अपना डेटा अपलोड करेंगे और डेटा
नहीं,
पे रीजनिंग करेंगे।
तो रीजनिंग मॉडल कौन सा यूज करेंगे अपन?
रीजनिंग मॉडल अभी तो मिनिमैक्स यूज करते हैं।
किसको?
मिनीमैक्स।
मिनिमैक्स।
ओके। इसलिए पूरे नोशन पर या कहीं पर डॉक्स बनाओ ना, एक प्रोडक्ट करने से पहले क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है अपना।
उसमें बहुत टाइम चला जाता है बनाते बनाते सब, मतलब जब प्रोडक्ट रेडी हो जाएगा ना तो एंटी ग्रेविटी को बोल देंगे तो वो तुरंत बना देगा, ऐसा करेगा।
हाँ, वो तो है ही। ठीक है।
वो बेकार बनाता है भाई, एंटी ग्रेविटी से नहीं, खुद ही लिखो
हम्म।
डॉक्यूमेंटेशन।
इन्फ्लुएंस पर या
भाई मतलब, भाई यार ये बंदा
नो,
तो ऑफेंड हो गया यार। यार इतनी जल्दी ऑफेंड कैसे हो सकते हैं यार लोग?
ऑफेंड मतलब।
ये रिवाज है ना जो भाई, वो
हाँ
पता नहीं से कमेंट में कुछ किसी ने बोल दिया कि भाई, बट वो बोल रहा है यू कांट मेक शिट गाइस, ओनली हु कन्विंस मी इज सम, मतलब पता नहीं क्यों ऑफेंड होने की तो कोई बात हुई नहीं है ऐसी, तो मतलब
भाई देख,
ओपिनियन
सीधे
शेयर
सीधे
हो रहे
बात
थे
है
मतलब इसमें, तो ऐसा पता
भाई।
नहीं क्यों लोग।
प्रदीप भाई, एक ही चीज बोलूंगा है ना, एक ही घुमा फिरा के पूरी जितनी लंबी कॉन्वर्सेशन है तुम्हारी,
हम्म।
मार्केटिंग है जी, घुमा फिरा के एक ही बात है।
हम्म।
तुमने आधा घंटा लगा दिया उसको।
भाई मैं तो कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा था, मैं तो सुन रहा था
मैं वही
भाई
कह
यार।
रहा हूँ, आधे घंटे तक यही चल रहा है कि
मैं तो
मार्केटिंग पहले
सोचना
करो,
चाह रहा था कि
कंटेंट।
भाई क्या क्या हो सकता
भाई
है।
तुम अपना प्रोजेक्ट पे ध्यान दो ना यार, तुम्हारी 4-5 घंटे लाइव स्ट्रीम खिंच रही है,
हम्म।
कल अगले बंदे को जॉब करने भी जाना है।
हाँ भाई।
तुम अपने हिसाब से चलो ना, इनके हिसाब से क्यों चल रहे हो भाई मेरे?
भाई मुझे लगा कुछ बना है तो कुछ पता चल
भाई
जाए भाई
देखो,
क्या
इनके
चल रहा
हिसाब
है
से
मार्केट
चलोगे
में
ना,
थोड़ा ना।
वही है ना, ये एनीमे भाई बना रहे हैं ना,
हम्म।
इसका चैनल एनीमे का कंटेंट क्रिएशन का है, तुम्हारा
हम्म।
काम कुछ और है, ये कोई और करे, रिवाज का कोई और काम है।
हम्म।
100 बंदे अलग अलग काम कर रहे हो, हर फील्ड में थोड़ी घुस जाओगे यार।
हम्म।
सही बात है।
ठीक है भाई, हाँ गोट इट भाई, मैं समझ गया। अच्छा, तो अभी भाई,
आज प्रोजेक्ट बनाना था, वो भी नहीं हुआ।
अच्छा भाई, वो अमन भाई तुमने बनाया था वो आज दिन में, तो वो दिखा दो भाई।
भाई जो यूआई हमने बनाया था ना कल,
हाँ हाँ,
एक तो वो बन गया है ना। 1 मिनट रुक जाओ, मैं बस
वही
खाना
दिखा
खा
दो
के।
एक बार, है ना।
जो कल प्रोजेक्ट डिसाइड हुआ था उस पर काम नहीं कर रहे क्या?
यार भाई वो
भाई
कल है ना, हमने सुबह 6 बजे तक किया था काम भाई।
भाई प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, बात बात पे प्रोजेक्ट बदल जाते हैं ना। एक
हम्म,
प्रोजेक्ट फिक्स ही नहीं हो रहा है।
अच्छा।
हाँ, एक फिक्स तो करना पड़ेगा। उसकी रिवाज की बात कोई गलत नहीं थी, वो भी एक बार ठीक
हम्म।
कह रहा था कि यार छोटे छोटे उस पर पकड़ने में फायदा भी है।
हाँ देखो, देखो ये तो चीज है भाई,
हम्म।
मैं भी बोल रहा हूँ, अग्री कर रहा था मैं इस बात में कि भाई अगर हम जैसे B2B टाइप जो बोल रहे हैं हम, ये
हम्म।
ये ये जब B2B बोल रहे हैं भाई, वो तो B2B में भाई चैलेंजेस तो आएंगे यार। और मेरे को तो जॉब के
चैलेंजेस
साथ
तो आएंगे।
करना है ना। और B2B को हैंडल करना भाई एंटरप्राइज लेवल पे, तो भाई
थोड़ी
उसके लिए
डिफिकल्टीज है।
हाँ फंडिंग वगैरह और भाई वो चीजें चाहिए यार उसमें, मुझे लग रहा है।
तुम्हें क्या चाहिए यार? जीरोदा जो है वो भी तो ऐसी करी है, जीरो स्टार्टअप कुछ नहीं था उसके पास में। क्रेड है, उसके पास में भी कुछ नहीं था। जो कंपनी देखोगे यार उस पर कुछ नहीं है, ओपन सोर्स से बहुत कुछ उड़ा रहा है यार। क्या बात कर रहे हो?
बस करने वाला होना चाहिए यार।
करने वाला होना
कुछ
चाहिए। स्टार्ट तो करो
हम्म।
यार, इतनी देर से तुम्हारा यार चैनल पे ही लिखा हुआ है स्टार्ट। अब वो तो कर लो।
भाई आज तो कंट्रोवर्शियल हो गया भाई, सब लोग ओपिनियन डाल रहे हैं कुछ कुछ भाई चैनल पे भाई।
अरे यार कंट्रोवर्शियल नहीं है, अरे बहुत टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है यार। एक ही प्रोजेक्ट पता नहीं कितने दिनों से बनाया जा रही
बनाया
है।
जाए।
हम्म, ओके भाई, मेरे को थोड़ा सा, हाँ भाई दिखाओ, कोई नहीं भाई, एक बार है ना, फिर मैं देखता हूँ भाई नेक्स्ट मेरे को क्या करना है भाई। हम्म,
आज अमन भाई बड़े गुस्से में लग रहे हो, क्या बात?
अरे यार इरिटेट कर दिया इन लोगों ने।
अरे कोई नहीं यार, कभी कभी होता है।
1 घंटा हो गया, ऑलमोस्ट 45 मिनट के आसपास हो गई, यही चल रहा है।
ये तो है यार। अमन भाई तुम कुछ दिखाने वाले थे, दिखाना।
1 मिनट भाई, 1 मिनट, वही खोल रहा हूँ।
चलो, कोई नहीं।
नेक्स्ट ट्रांसिस। दिख रही है?
हाँ।
शूटिंग हो गई। डैशबोर्ड ऐसे खुल के आएगा अपना ना। ये
हाँ।
उसका, ये AWS वाला जो हम लोग करने वाले हैं ना रैपर का,
हाँ
उसका है।
हाँ
हाँ।
हाँ हाँ।
ठीक है।
ये रात
इसमें,
में बनाया है क्या वो
हाँ ये
वाला?
मेरे, ये क्या कहते हैं, ये पर आवर यूसेज के हिसाब से दिखाएगा। हमारे लास्ट एक्टिव जितने भी एजेंट्स है उसको दिखा देगा। टोकन जितने भी जनरेट होंगे ये बैकएंड हमें कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा उसका, ठीक है।
ओके।
अच्छा, इसमें हम लोग अपना खुद का डेटाबेस देंगे जो पोस्टग्रे या ग्राफक्यूएल दोनों को सपोर्ट करेगा, जैसे सुपरबेस करता है।
अच्छा।
हाँ।
ठीक है, तो इसमें जैसे पोस्टग्रे, वेक्टर डीबी हो गए, जितने भी रेडिस, रेडिस भी ठीक है, डिपेंड करता है कौन सा यूज करना चाहते हो। बिलिंग सिस्टम में हम यहाँ डाल देंगे। यहाँ पे जितनी भी हिस्ट्री होगी सब दिख जाएगा। इनवॉइसेस यहाँ से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। प्लानिंग वगैरह जितनी भी है, सब यहाँ से चूज कर सकते हैं। बाकी ये सेटिंग के ऑप्शन है, अलग अलग सेटिंग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं।
ये काफी अच्छा आइडिया है प्रदीप भाई, इस पे थोड़ा काम करा जाएगा ना तो ये सक्सेसफुल हो सकता है।
ओके।
और भाई मार्केटिंग के लिए अगर वीडियो भी बनाओगे ना तो पहले दिखाना पड़ेगा ना।
हाँ।
ये सब मॉडल्स अभी जो टेम्पलेट उठाए हैं वो वर्केबल नहीं है ना अभी, बस फ्रंट एंड है ना?
और
हाँ।
यूआई भी काफी अच्छा लग रहा है। अमन भाई इसमें काफी अच्छा डिजाइन करा है तुमने।
हाँ जी।
हम्म। इसको हो सकता है ये, क्योंकि आने वाले टाइम पे इसकी नीड्स काफी ज्यादा पड़ेगी, क्योंकि
तो देखो
जितने भी
अभी
मॉडल आ रहे हैं।
अभी देखो, जो रियल कॉज है ना, जैसे अभी
हम्म,
ईरान में और इसकी वॉर चल रही है, तो अभी तुम देखोगे तो डेटा सेंटर्स जितने भी थे उन पे अटैक हो रहा है।
हाँ
इसकी नीड है और बहुत ज्यादा ही है।
वही।
इसमें हम
सबसे
पी
बेस्ट ये है कि हम ज्यादा इधर उधर ना भाग के सिर्फ एक प्रोजेक्ट पकड़े, उस पर काम करेंगे। चाहे वो सक्सेसफुल हो ना हो, वो बात की बात है, लेकिन
सीख तो
पहले तो।
लो। मार
हाँ वही।
तुम्हें अपने बिजनेस के बारे में ही नहीं पता है, तुम बेचने या फंडिंग लेने किस चीज पे जा रहे हो यार।
वही वही चीज है।
भाई मैं वो भेज रहा हूँ इसकी गिटहब है ना।
फ्रंट
और
एंड की।
हाँ फ्रंट
तो
एंड।
काफी अब तो काफी इजी हो गया, लेकिन जब देखा जाए पहले लोग क्या करते थे, सालों साल एक प्रोजेक्ट पे लग रहे हैं, उसके बाद भी वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि वो प्रोजेक्ट पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं, मार्केट पे नहीं दे रहे वो।
हम्म।
हम्म, अब तो काफी इजी हो गया यार चीजों को, देखा जाए तो पहले से।
अभी क्या करना था आज?
नहीं कुछ नहीं, वही एक्सपर्ट या फिर वो वाइप वाइप कोड रीजन।
बन गया वो?
एक्सबॉट ना मैंने स्क्रैच से बनाना स्टार्ट कर दिया था। वो
हाँ।
ना अभी उसको सारे टूल दे दिए, ओपन क्लॉक में जो टूल्स है ना वो सब टूल्स दे दिए।
हम्म।
वर्किंग भी है अच्छा सा। बस जो एजेंट रन टाइम क्रैश कर रहा है बीच बीच में, वो फिक्स कर रहा है अभी।
हाँ, एक काम करना उसका
वो
ना, एक
फिक्स हो जाएगा तो।
उसकी एक गिटहब बना देना, मैं कंट्रीब्यूटर के लिए अप्लाई पीआर भेजूंगा, ठीक है? उसको अप्रूव कर देना, मैं
ठीक
उस
है।
पर देखूंगा।
हाँ
आबिद
ठीक
भाई,
है।
ये ओपन क्लॉक इस पे यूज कर रहे हो तुम, किसी सर्वर पे यूज कर रहे हो या अपने प्राइवेट पीसी पे कर रहे हो?
प्राइवेट पीसी पे है अभी तो।
लोकल मशीन। लोकल
हम्म,
मशीन।
मैंने प्राइवेट पीसी के चक्कर में वो यूज भी नहीं करके देखा, क्योंकि सारा डेटा स्क्रैच कर रहा है यार वो।
मैं कुछ नहीं करता हूँ। सेफ है। बहुत
हाँ,
सेफ है।
मेरे में
तुम्हारे
वाकई
प्रॉम्प्ट
पैसे
की
बड़ा।
बिना वो कुछ नहीं करेगा, तुम्हारा प्रॉम्प्ट अगर उसको कंफ्यूज कर देगा तो वो बहुत कुछ कर देगा, ऐसा है।
वो भी है, दूसरी चीज क्या है ना, अगर आपके पीसी में सेंसिटिव डेटा है तो आप उसमें यूज ना करो तो बेस्ट है।
बट क्लाउड के पास कुछ जा ही नहीं रहा है, तो सेंसिटिव का क्या ये है।
हम्म,
नहीं यार, ऐसा भी नहीं है, क्लाउड के पास कुछ नहीं जा रहा है। तुम
वो
उठा तो
मॉडल बस।
की के थ्रू ही है वहाँ, मतलब जो तुमने कनेक्ट किया है वो तो एपीआई
हाँ,
के थ्रू ही है।
हम्म,
जो
वो
एलएलएम,
मॉडल है बस।
जहाँ भी तुम एपीआई का यूज कर रहे हो वहाँ तुम्हारा डेटा कहीं ना कहीं जा रहा है।
डेटा तो लीक हो रहा है।
अब फिर प्राइवेसी का फायदा ही क्या है, चैट जीपीटी के साथ तो सब पता है चैट जीपीटी अपने बारे में।
मैं कभी भी चाइना के जो मॉडल यूज करता हूँ, केमनी वेमनी हो गया, इसमें कभी मैं अपनी प्राइवेट ईमेल तक नहीं लगाता,
यार
हमेशा
देखो,
टेम्प मेल का यूज करता हूँ।
यार देखो, अगर तुमको खुद का एलएलएम ट्रेन करना है ना, मैं यही सजेस्ट करूंगा कि जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग मॉडल है ना, उस पे
हम्म।
अलग अलग बॉट बना करके टेस्टिंग करो और आंसर्स निकलवा के उससे ट्रेन करो अपना एलएलएम।
अमन भाई, मेरे दिमाग में ना एक आइडिया आ रहा था, हम लोग क्यों ना ऐसा कोई आयुर्वेदा एलएलएम मॉडल ट्रेन करते हैं, छोटा लेवल पे पकड़ते हैं आयुर्वेदा के लिए। वो अभी अभी मार्केट में इतना है भी नहीं उसका।
हम्म।
अब पर ट्रेन करने की क्या जरूरत है, मॉडल्स को पता है पहले से सब।
नहीं यार, तुम समझे नहीं मेरी चीज को। कहने का मतलब क्या है, एक आयुर्वेदा अलग जीबीटी, सिर्फ वो आयुर्वेदा की दवाई हो गई, जैसा आप अपने सिम्टम्स बता रहे हो कि ये
हम्म।
प्रॉब्लम है, तो वो उस तरीके से आपको जवाब दे, सिर्फ आयुर्वेदा के लिए कस्टम जीपीटी जो होता है।
चलो यार ठीक है, बात कम करेंगे, पहले एग्जीक्यूट करना शुरू करो।
हाँ चलो।
हाँ, तो इस तरीके से आइडिया आ रहा था कुछ, उसके लिए बारे में मैं सोच रहा था, बस ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है एग्जीक्यूट कैसे करूँ उसको।
उसमें तो रैपर बना दो ना यार।
भाई बना दिया है, मैं इसकी गिटहब भेज रहा हूँ आपको ना।
वो ना एक ने बनाया था आयुजीपीटी करके। किसने बताया क्या, रुको मैं उसका इंस्टाग्राम आईडी बता।
मुझे नहीं लगता भाई ये प्रोजेक्ट स्ट्रीम पे बन पाएगा यार।
बन तो जाएगा यार,
हम्म,
तो तुम्हारा एंटी ग्रेविटी बना देगा।
बना देगा सर।
चिराग भाई तुम भी तो कुछ कह रहे थे, क्या आइडिया बता रहे थे तुम?
कौन सा आईडी?
तुम कुछ पहले कह रहे थे, फिनटेक करके कुछ बता रहे थे।
नहीं वो कोई और
नहीं।
बंदा था, गणेश गणेश, वो आया था वो चला गया
अच्छा।
पता नहीं।
अच्छा।
हाँ।
ओके।
हाँ, गणेश आया था।
अच्छा।
उसको कुछ बनवाना था। तुम्हारी अच्छी सेल्स हो जाती है अगर वो कुछ बनवाता तो काम कर सकते थे।
लेकिन वो चला गया बेचारा।
डिस्कॉर्ड पर
आयुष जी कुछ
ज्वाइन हुआ
कर
था।
रहे थे।
मार्केट में प्रोजेक्ट भी तो नहीं आ रहे कुछ।
किसी ने स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा था क्या कोई? दिख नहीं रहा।
यार भाई मुझे तो कल सुबह ऑफिस जाना है भाई 7 बजे। अह, ठीक है ना।
प्रदीप भाई सब सभी जल्दी उठने वाले हैं सुबह।
नहीं यार आज भाई मैं हम्म मुझे लग रहा है भाई।
होगा।
वियर्ड स्टफ भाई। अरे मैं वो कमेंट बताऊं क्या बता रहा था मैं, जो किसी भाई ने
हाँ,
कमेंट किया था।
बोलो बोलो।
हाँ यार एक जो स्ट्रीम थी ना हमारी,
हाँ।
जिसमें हमने कुछ काफी लोगों ने आइडिया वगैरह शेयर किए थे,
हम्म।
वो स्ट्रीम पे भाई लोग अभी भी आके कमेंट कर रहे हैं।
क्या?
अच्छा।
हाँ।
जो हम लोगों ने करा था जिसमें मैं भी था क्या?
हाँ
अच्छा।
जिसमें फ्रीलांस वगैरह की बात की थी या कुछ,
हाँ
है ना।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, जिसमें अनिल अनिल भाई
हाँ
थे।
हाँ।
अच्छा अच्छा।
तो उस पे भाई मतलब वो बाद में भी देखी है लोगों ने, मतलब कुछ हजार के अराउंड उसमें व्यू आए हैं मतलब।
अरे बाप रे, बढ़िया।
ये तो
हाँ।
सही है।
हाँ।
तो उसमें क्या कमेंट आ रहे हैं प्रदीप भाई?
डीप नॉलेज वो, लेकिन बहुत कम
हम्म।
लोग। मैं दिखाता हूँ भाई।
मैं कितना भेज रहा हूँ ना आपको, वो देखो।
हम्म,
हाँ, डिस्कॉर्ड पे भेज रहे हो ना?
नहीं, इसी पे भेजा है शायद से ना, मैं इसी भेजा है।
मतलब लोगों को है ना वो आई मतलब उस टाइप की स्ट्रीम पसंद आ रही है कि जहाँ पे लोग आइडिया वगैरह डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, है ना। तो
भाई
उस
देखो
टाइप का
प्रदीप
मुझे
भाई,
लगा।
प्रोजेक्ट डिसाइड करो खुद,
हम्म।
और उसके बाद में एग्जीक्यूशन करो तुम, क्योंकि लास्ट कॉल है तुम्हारा।